Mobi akwaba ebobi achi sa baby a won so ya ha ma wa ha number so amema wajo akwaba ba by Grace TV so bigidi se twedi ampo nyankro pantom obi a ho ye busuafo nyame hu ye mobo ya san hia biem ye ba twetwe nkomo as usual aboa ama ye man Ghana etumpon ne ye bedi nkomo de free Accra yes and then nkomo ye ba twetwe no live from the nation's capital na dia ekoso bia no ya man bo for ho atwamfoni e de akere ne atensem wase but let's not forget say enen komo ayebedie nyina ko ekuwie nyankopon ya adom ochina court a eye ebusuafo mekire Serwaa&Lumba ebusuafo ebeko e wo the Accra High Court ya ni nyina eye in line with the celebration of life wa na Serwaa&Lumba ebusuafo and afi ye maame Akosua sewa no mpese omo ye e de maye papa Serwaa&Lumba na ebrom hye dwumadi nse so omo ye no ebeto odwa se Nana Kofi Usu eden nsam akodan court obekai sanse so gebe kwa man so ya reporter e wa Accra sisia na watwamfoni kakra dia kire eno mu na Nana Kofi Usu de kodan court da bi sabi empo onwo epese omo dwumadi etisa na wo mu ni sa tumi no se so omo ye e mo chirem se wona ye busuapani ya oba ya kan mamu han so amamre ni amane kwan so ye asa that time na make kan amamre ni amane kwan so won na wotumi se ade bi e fa ne de hye no ekora ne sie ho no ono nkwa ne betumi ayo no achi obi ani tumi bia so be ti se koba se nipa bi ese on be celebration of life e di ama e papa ya na ani kwan se court e makwan e mo di same be tudwa the claims are or the kodan court no obekai ya on the 25th of March wo mo court na ye wukuada wo mo court mu afọ de betudwa se asem no afi no okoya abote no hwem ye e fa ya mamre ne amane ho se obaya account for mamre ne amane mu a why na wotumi se o ye yie na se why na wotumi mpo se or celebration of life na omunya abote ko hwem bia nyankopon ya adom a na last month it was said next month 23rd which is nyankopon ya adom china 23rd of May March omon samra na fe on shebra ombeto omboase na omowura nsem num edi nsem num nkomo e na fe temu afo sa de to dwa se so ko hwe nsem num nyina wie na ekoba se bia nsem na hwe mu wie no se Nana Kofi Usu na difo a eka bia asa that time na the immediate family and maame Akosua Serwaa abobia no omo behwe se Nana Kofi Usu na se Nana Tupac ebetua omo ka bi omo abo e di ama omo na eno na ejebu nyankopon ya adom a 23rd of April ya court share no ewie nyankopon ya adom china eno nti sabi aboa kontromfi o simi suman enemani ye kwa homa so na ya mane boni o won kan watwamfoni kakra dia kire sada no nyame adom onya akwanya kopie mo court obi ti de court so obi a no mesere meka eni mu asem ya enye asomasisi anase obentensi ti ye kwa homa so na mema na kwa aba na won to ne boase na ontwa efiri enche okay yes Christy any sit in front and you kwa man sisi a na reporter akasa wo Accra no twamfoni e de ache de sisi a film ba nyankopon ya adom china kra ya omokopie mu court what we are to expect and the last time omokoye e di asem pote na court kan e di asem pote na awaya fo so de to abusuafo anim ene adofo anim na afia ya to ya just a posi e de ahwe what we are to expect na bibia enso aye asumye ti abusua obekan ho asijua na wa like na wa share ama ofofro nso enya bia hwe bra ye to na moyi na ye de ya brand na ba ho so na wa twansem no munyina mumfuni e de akere live on YouTube by Grace TV so okay so aba ho so me ultimate cam kwa by Grace TV so apombo ko de hello me ultimate ka okay emsa ho me ba abusua munya mo abo check akana min twa ho ntum biem okay I think say okay me ba okay ma me fa ntum afidem say ho mo ada ho na yenti de oka won train no mun train na yenti ase live on by Grace TV as you want speed nyankopon ya admo china de be free mo ba e wo de Accra High Court said dia ye mra ya mamre ni amani university for celebration of life ho yes and okay waba ho man so menya mmokwa aba pombo ko de be me na
nyame adom boko na wo twe
nyame adom yes yo hoye pa yes yo
ya te bo kana che wa fodi na ya te bo ka che pa o se mo hoye pa
ya nyame adom abusuafo hoye pa nya asefeto a obi a eja so eja o de na kokra bia ntintin da bia hoye wada ro ye na eja na kokra bi chie ya na ma ye ya yare na ne malaria akra de waji ba o de eja So 9 would da ana
very
and no on say pay for baby omubu almost say bio the obian would di ana me boa ah inteja ona wotu ana monti ene adi tu baby obi age tu okay I mean you said the yan ntie say yakopon ya admo chena Accra High Court ebetina se yeah Accra High Court na wotina se yam ya admo chena nyina no efa celebration of life wa na maame Akosua Serwaa ne afe and I say of fire poku that mean but men can say immediate family men can say say don't catch on bad but don't person omo ye in honor of that Lumba na man not Tupac dey say me call down court to say yeah na confuse the call down court say there be omo ni kwan so omo ye say dey no kwa na wotumi say so omo ye minim say dey twa to omo koye na o dey nyame adom onya akwanya ekopie mu Accra High Court this outbreak as muni o dey ato was na sha say dey be aye na chechi mu che dey kopie mu sa abre no babedu bia ne yedri ne de ye hwe ni mu nyame adom tena wadarema
alright when you have that say na mesa so chia TF4 ni ahwefo ya ehwe by Great TV na mesa so emma won makwa ba emfamra Accra
okay
the capital city of the country na and no wada when you say Lumba say no ye dey akire a 50 day 1 and the about bedroom there court bia ya wo mo beko bia say ye kumase say yanka no ye di akire papa na ni nyina efa celebration of life the immediate family ye obi ka bobo odin of ya poku papa say and mama nana doctor mama China ni impenifo ya heka ho ye one my say one more by year, and they said one more this year, no, animonium, if you say one more this year, no baby pa,
okay,
and the ama a year, oh my God,
okay,
and tell more every year be the ama, oh my God, and into now, my goodness, say,
okay,
I'm a baby, and the channel, and when I'm now, yet you have to say, name, say, a year, I would say a penny that coffee to pack,
okay,
yeah. Bedona na say the Bianca Sane or Penny confused.
Okay.
Yeah, the Dona name say a friend or Abusia Penny to pack. Eddie any address. Obi any who I say Obi to me, our organize it.
Okay.
Celebration of life, Phobia of your point. Abusia Corner, and I said, one Eddie any more, I'm on my year.
Okay. Okay.
And I said, no, on the crocodile, a year Accra High Court.
Okay.
And my Accra High Court, and so Eshe, at a toe, and near my eto inside the fair, which you have for city court proceedings in a year, city, and said, Obidi, some crocodile court, and said, Meno was someone, I was here about Seville, Wona, the panel the work.
Okay.
And then, almost the court summons, not echo command the immediate family.
Okay.
At the ma a year that Lumba of fire Pokumone, Mama China, when name I because up for Mamma.
Okay.
See the bay almost broke up more court, no more talk about what say here. Almost pressure, almost year celebration of life. At the ma and you want this of your qua. I was your penny, no, sir, on my quine MOBR. 80 me and conquer a yes, Edgeman.
Okay.
And see, a bra, seven or at the coy, and on that, a kakakra ama data. A year, the immediate family, no, I say, for yet, celebration of life, no, not a yabbing.
Oh, okay.
And see, one more equal court.
Okay.
And court, no, I say, now what you for free, be Simono. Then find to say, be a year and now, and cut the following week.
Okay.
And car one more rana, assembly, no, intimate and transfer.
Okay. Okay.
Now, and I'm saying, start time no holiday, make I pan Monday.
Monday. That's you know, okay, for your full feed down. Yeah.
Mo.
Okay.
Now, Monday, and now almost court now. Not any year, and a year the immediate family, no.
Okay.
Actual crata at the Kokoma, a year court, and say a baya and date now, or they Asher Tanka, woman brana, woman cast, especially now almost person one day the final judgment, and I say, I tell you, no, Eba, see the baya, one bed year 2 months, say, ABR, almost betting me up, yeah. and I say woman to me and conquer no because no move to preparations towards the program.
Oh, okay.
I'm a man for binumua a woman on a teacher ticket. Now I'm a person or more back or my muna. It may be no crash as ya now or more background.
Wow.
Yes. Omode a year cracker and a quarter quarter and him equestrian no. I think date no the best friends have no one chin family ni mo kakra.
Okay.
Emfa emomo. Anoka date anaka warm pay the immediate family no air no court na amfa momo.
Okay.
But omo for fra though na any a trippy and any moon to pee.
Okay.
And into omo jitu mo and date ni drew yano the cocoa PM court. In the name na ye share ni mo zenka a judgment no ebeba.
Okay.
E was a case no but the cocoa drew who be ye ma judge penny etna ase na lawyers ejina mu de ma afanu ne mienu nyina no.
Okay.
And so eba ya one shot say one more kasa no ansa na judge ne e kasa afei ena wo ba be che emu amamre kwaso.
Oh, okay.
Say why ena wo hu to me say bi o se obi free mu a obetimi akwakoye say ye ana say evimpo celebration of life e dia ma eye nipa na wa free mu no.
Okay.
In fact that asem ba ye no nipa bebre na abo anyo including the immediate family no.
Oh, okay.
Because now we many people nyina say wo mo ko ne de judgment day at the mall omo full vim ni gidie wo mu say Saturday ni de omo ebetimi ye di nkunim for once.
I say wo
omo ebetimi ye di nkunim for once. Say that the Lumba say me sha say ne ho court nsem no. Na ko ebetimi ye di nkunim nanso no nkunim die na ankoba. And until Saturday, no,
but I know, sir, with the Muslims, what call campaign. So I was proud to say Saturday number corner. The last time I'm going to my phone, I said, I'm ba the following day, no, or they are doing now, no, some of the buys, not their team waba. I think that was the initial plan, yes, sir.
Yes, yes. That was the initial plan. I'm your emergency. One ba. Any omo etia no ba ko mienu miensa na wono no watie ntem ni bia nti no de ruling ba
ebe ba that day na omo nim say the court kan na ruling ni be ba judge kan na
ruling ni be ba that particular day
na the ban say na sesa ye
no ni asem se be no.
Oh, okay.
And no ni asem se because who say no mo de akire from Kumasi omo court no mo ba na ebuetia wo mo na ba Accra High Court na ebuetia wo na de nti omo ye say nka we the celebration of life there at least amuni yesie wie na ye bibi dia hye na ni monyam no enka omo betimi anya ho tia akonya no.
Okay.
But obi nim ne yakote bayira homa mu ama bayira mo.
Okay.
Emma judgment aye judge no e de ni ruling ba e anase wamfa ruling ne kura ma o kire se omo san komra o tu dia hyeda na ono kwa kwahwe amamre mu se hwan ne wo hu tumi anase hwan ne wo hu kwan se omo betimi aye say ye fufra na say celebration of life for kwa obi afri mu enu no that very day no me kaina mami Akosua say wa ba Ghana.
Okay.
Na afaya opoku ho.
Okay.
Na mama China ho.
Okay.
Na woman ba ko omo friend afia bibia say ono na dey no okontokwa o court wa.
Okay. Well, it be a person.
Na doctor any mame as abasiruwa bi kakra abrewa bi no my referee.
That Lumba no. Nana Abnaduma.
I'm the Lumba ne nana o say ne mame bisa.
Yeah.
Yes. Na omu nyina e wo hobi but that ebra yen ko court ho no inside na ye pie ne de na mame Akosua abrempoma na woni hobi.
Oh, okay.
Enti ye free court ni omo free court ni inside the pie ye papa share ne mama Akosua say one dey kai pie ye omo pie ya omo bana na omo lawyer ne so e follow ye na ye mbo pin lawyer no na ye bisa ne ho asem say na senke ye nyina ye nim senka ne no ye judgment na dey ba no say but court no a kire say ene no wamfa judgment na ma ne mo ma fe no wa tan ba be hwa asem no mu it we tu asem no e dey ahye Yakupon ya adoma echina ye di anima ye 23rd of a year this month no ometa kwatena asem ne so na wo de amamre wo begina amamre ne so na no de wo de bu atem wo de bu asem no na se ba bi amamre ne da ne momu no de ato
so to ahwensem no
o de ato yes ahwense hwan ne betumi atu ayesa anamo no nti yeke ye no na usiafo na ye wild na o my shit because na come say na ya woda na
Wednesday
Wednesday yes
okay and a program is na Saturday
yes
wow
our program no date o my channel etimi akwakoba so
okay
and nti na ase omo ehu ni omo ye omo ko up and down nti ho no mo na papa she ebe ye no ka kire yen se yes celebrate the otiase yes celebrate obi a wawu and nti se court no e the decision say ya ba no mo expect say omo the ruling beba no wan fa ruling na amade a
okay
ene omo be celebrate mama Akosua Serwaa instead of Lumba.
That's a whole starting free celebration for mama. I see okay
yes decision na judge need 2 years on fa ruling ni emma ne ho no mo very smart
okay
Papa she is very smart because that you know say unye obi a we critical thinker you won't be able to come out with idea no
okay
because it will be I was in Quebec kwatena sia kwadwen ho okay enya ne say normal George adwene ansana omo the decision bi but amunum ho no mo an oka say celebrate obi o tiase
okay
it say omo so mo celebrate Lumba wo mo de tie na wa be ye bi dia ma o my Ghana ne dia ene o be celebrate ba mi Akosua Serwaa ne yire
okay
ono na tiase nti ho no mo na blogger ba ko na no ko pray no ko ka se e ka ba no ho no mo de ensempi ena e course office na ni bra ba nti we ensentro ni na I mean work school agent tie ensem binu say ni bra ba we don't make those comments ho no mo obeya e bia wo ne colleagues e gina ho no mo they are fine but sebusiafo no ani bra ba that moment ni mo no lady ne ko kan dansem no na omo eta ne pa do omo enya na mo no later na me hu say lady ne ye videos bi no te omo born me na mbina hobby obi enu a ode ne nsa born no omo hodi ne keke yes a lady na me say fa na fia no
okay
ono ene hodi ne keke but so bi to nsa e de born no say obo ne sutro so obo ne hefa so born ne de enya bi sa ni ho no mo a
okay
eti ye what they pretend and I start take can say we so akwada hospital na fan kosi enyina na hu hia wankasa wankokasa ankasa asemu yenkamba
okay
enti after that no na yenyina ebra papa she ka say on be celebrate mama Akosua Serwaa when you say na date ni do ma shadada
so 28
omo be kwa akoye program no enti omo atwa so ene Lagos stadium no na ncha there's another park
okay
stadium ho ene dru ho no ye koye in fact see the acquire impromptu na court no akwane abani ade no most of us no na yen expect say enipa bebre na mpo ebeba
okay
no krepa asem ne ka ne se so bebre ye na ye din di ho komo ne ade ne ka so see the ade akwaye di amafo ma ade wa we ya ebe floppy bi ni ade but amafo ye no mo etre se omodo Lumba and then Nigeria Akosua Serwaa.
Wow.
Yes. It drew one mono. The woman said na a late time and near man go how I know with the penny there, but a month for a buy, you know. Let's send me Nanka a ya people who come and in the public bird to swama will be put never be other than night everything.
Okay.
Yes. And if you want mono on my program now we fast forward. Yeah, but in a me I do much now. And a better I call a Accra High Court.
Okay.
Na ya call Aqua could see the yard in the Becca and so Tabia and Yami I do much now or didn't rule in the back. And I said, what could TT a mamre mono or Becca say a dear.
We are born
in some bit to me and celebrating no and I said, India bar. Yami I do much now. ahwefo ne atiefo yi a share by Great TV no
okay
the do to a ye ma o ma so ensi ho ye de nye be ko so bia no aba ba to wani ma o ma so ehunu ya eko
okay now chamfoni we ka catch that very day we dey now court no what you say that no court season so that chesa yes sir
yeah
okay
yeah yeah boy ancho because now you were expecting say I mean near my bit me akọ do a short there but na ke say little in the victory be near the papa but within less than 10 minutes or 10 minutes na I got na say kind of be brave bro akete be brave na ya get the case instead
okay
of this match the ancha kra
that very day mama Akosua Serwaa no court will be yes sir and I call them with the no
yes not that very day no
okay
no buy a crowd for service it's a door for crane one but you no about the senior Korean side into that day no will be when you to wait there for once or not to be to me at 3
yeah so
that a year as me hono it will send you club but or not to be to me ya ali I did not find no but any part obey to me I get so strong and obey to say be an error but when you need power shell day nankata na share the dimi na ne hawa na ni my na a real
kakraba
yes a real but what the cameras no nya dey obey to be show the weakness
okay
I dey share if we see engina internet was we keep the cam no na which me Akosua ni Akosua dia nya ebekosu bia na no de wono na ebusuafo na aka no entemo asema no de centrofo bia ni wati na rewaba no krepa de na rewaba na ni brankata abada very day no
yeah so okay now on the part of South Day no na Tupac na buy na Kofi and I also am obi okay
since what the seminal equidine Accra High Court
okay
edibesi na no can say court be there ya court be any one of my we are penny that senso we are penny that Kofi Tupac mama be team wada
okay
o me team wada I think one day be and the ref be papa bia me tell we any 2 ICB on kan be be obeto bomb be say we shall phone so many baby or machi I want to share.
We watch say
no more see and when you see what if you gonna and also find them the breed and the buy I since then no yeah enquire Emma we shall fulfill ya and I say be after we shall penny to pack side am I
okay wow this is your coach saying I'm point out watch now.
Yes.
But I think say that they can now trim now videos are sending me lawyer we just the defendant Mama Akosua Serwaa of your pocket Mama Akosua one chest setting one for say okoye nhwemu afa amamre ne amane no ho awie na okoye wi a na we say bi obema kwan na obi abebo ni nkura na say no kura there is no assurance nyam watch na bi a atemu we ba afi no be chance e run sim no yes sir
okay what's getting now okay now
yeah
why should I see and the immediate family no and I say lawyers made the judgment about
okay okay wow
say I did our council made the judgment about younger me judgment about the doing the judgment
okay
but since I was saying I want to say
okay okay I see but I know say lawyers for the defendants can be say the one for kind says nyame have no hwani nsem nyina wie na koba say bia na Kofi Usu na edifo a eka bia omo abo anase ka bia omo boy say abre for that Lumba celebration of life na Tupac betua court be man na Tupac etua dia mom no cresa what are
yes only say lawyers say jilemu de Mama Akosua Brempoma ni the immediate family.
Yeah.
And the Lumba. No, Omo can say, I say, date nedru, Oma shall say, young to 3 years.
Okay.
Program net me aba so eno ne nam so a ma judge no e kan se ekoba se omoye sa twemu ni nyina amamre kwa so
okay
fine na e wo hu to me ana wo hu kwan se obetimi aye sa celebration of life after say ya ye no awie no na se in favor of the immediate family ni dia e ka bia ya wo ma bon say 1 cedi say 2 million Ghana cedis. Say Ghana. Say 1 million Ghana cedis. No. Almost be set abusia penny to park and all the assembly bar.
Okay.
I'm a tia a kabia on my board at the amount.
Okay. Wow.
And may I say, and the immediate family, no, and that's what the cream one. Yamia do much now. Almost bet and not a course, not as a course, because doing program at TC, no program not in the man who will be born and be what the answer.
Yeah, so the next celebration for what can say more? Yes, tent now, dear speaker, live band, and one car, boy.
Yes, on one car, or more a ball.
Oh, what's all Becca said? Oh, Becca said, said the walk to the air for that Lumba, and when you muscle. To the be for my Akosua celebration because the won't mean on the canal. I share that Lumba celebration now so by maybe I can be a about to order that they are now they're making. What do you want to say?
No cannon so I no cannon to okay, so we are the chairman and she be an over legal and say we are follow it no and car I will lawyers, I'm on my Joe, I was a kid.
I know because I'm waiting to make arguments. Minimum that year, but I'm a dark of my bro. But I'm waiting to make arguments. So, was it some men Independence Square? To what I say, we can be here to order that. Now, I hear you when you're there. I quite you being Kunyani. I think maybe a cat. I know the I say more. Okay. Yes, I can now. Okay.
They sure say there will be a cost, and if there will be a cost, there will be a man to pay.
Wow. As I said, a year now, any kind that number year cost Kumasia, not to park here, so Aboka 2 million Ghana, 20 billion. In this court years and commit me to not to park there, or the moon team to add their uncle and again. There's a Sabiana, here can watch him.
Oh, yeah. And idea would be the immediate family next year, and that legal for you. I don't know home pie, a bit go in their favor.
Okay.
Yes, I will in Weber call in their favor. Now, almost Saturday, share almost and common pay to get 2 million Ghana within 2 hours. And from a year with your penny near her say, don't bet me so I at the time, channel at the amma. A year with your penny that I could fit to pack. So, no, so a day could be seen no man, but we didn't see. I was almost it's mom. I get that idea. So, consequences a war of it.
Wow.
And only idea almost a bomb pie pa, will you be a cata? And only idea of bomb pie pa, so when it be a fine, Mom Petty, Baya, Yaboka, and the Kabia Yabono, and the Movenamun and family. And the cannon for the miniatures of a quack, yet. 50,000
wow. Hey, interesting times ahead. Wow. But that day, 25th March, I'm calling in general. Now the atmosphere. Ever court or we go Kumasi and brand, some you Kumasi I court and equity channel. Sometimes young atmosphere and that very day now I'm calling. The old I'm so last person of you. Now atmosphere, over the court premises, what to say, and around the court, I want to say.
The panel, Kumasi no, and a family no do one a baby.
No correct.
And one say, young court, I do one
a the four creative.
Aha, Accra, dear. The immediate family, Nipa, Bakumi, and said, I supported the legal wife. Accra live no, a bit different from Kumasi.
Okay.
On the working day, no, it will be very difficult for you to get somebody.
Okay.
Say, we join the Juma or you know, be doing it.
Oh, Accra, yes, sir.
Yeah. Aha.
Okay. That's it.
Any pack a crab, you know, can say any pack a crab, but any panel to a buyer. Now, Omudimo, yeah, one more, and you many young. About Jumadi and Chomo Banson, not many yesterday, no would be really no, Akosi and your mom.
Wow.
And see, that very day, dear, not the way in a very high spirit.
Wow. Okay.
And judgment, you know, about court in your favor. And see, that day, and I go cry. Nipa Kuma, dear, but. Bible crack I say a cook to Mamu. Yeah, cook it Dina almost in dancing with the passage and coupon when Yamadiamo.
Oh, okay. Tinakupon have much now. That's 23rd of April. Called this year, Berbe and Casa 23rd April.
I am a part 9.
Oh, okay. That's in Tempa.
Yes, I'm a part 9. And you know, do about the first case.
Wow.
You know, Yamia do much now, Papa 9. And today, I was here quite because of traffic near here. I walk your money to you. Yeah, this kind of corporate train now, my bad nothing. Yeah, you know, Aqua to now, Babia 7 on Becca at the Aquacusin. Yamia do much on of night by Grace TV, California Chief for and yes, and by said. They are a better from beer or air quarter. Mama near, I'm almost so naturally.
Now, Accra High Court, if you will be anymore, may I commission any more crackers? Accra High Court in Accra will find for potty, what are Roma? So there will be person of Balobia signature.
Accra High Court, no, Accra Central. Biaya, the member commentator, Ebia, Ubia, Hisha, which be
okay.
And then, maybe an Independence Square, no. Okay. And once in a ministry,
okay.
The car ministry, I want a ministry. Ministry, I would be now. I'm headquarters and not on my do so big now.
Okay.
To be education ministry or finance ministry or great, different, you know, around one now. Would you demonstration and so now would be that?
Okay.
Yeah, that's show. The Accra High Court, you know, go free a year, Tama, go free teaching, go free a year, Nunga, a Shamana, Ubetiwanya Street from Babia Wano, and they call a year Accra, Tama Station, Ubeti you or court letting one more pay or pound pay.
Okay.
Yes, and you know, Baby wanted the and then you are yes, so Baby will be an open fucker about the Accra, Tama Station. You do demonstration and I will be through Independence Square and I say stadium never on Kwandia, Accra High Court, and then you'll be happy.
Okay, but finally, maybe say the atmosphere in Accra and Kasa with respect to sound sensing, we are about Bogo Lomo because I'm of discussing and Akaku say, Yawa Kai, remember baby sound much. But the atmosphere in Accra with respect to sound sensing, says the Adam said, will be a judge, he said the BCBNC and answer still, what's in whom saw the jar, be a amount for that's what the come on mountains one. What are
and okay, say, what's that? Say, the BC,
okay,
now I am fresh. I am not some canoe, I was so power. No, and I quite any more cacao to an about from Kakra.
Yeah,
and see, and then there, though you get people to talk about it, but and it's a first to pan idea. But you have to be when you papa, you Mama can watch up.
Wow.
When you yes, someone can watch up. And see, yes.
Hey, I see.
But and then you could go nice about formula. Till now, there are people talking about it. One more outcome of it. Say, dear, a beco being cool. And I say, a beco if it's still I'm out for that so a though I take a first, but still no. I'm out for that so a class, omo ebo ho pempe ahwese ediam benfo betimi edi ruling na ba na omo so ehunu ne betimi akọ edia for once no edia the immediate family no ebetimi anya justice womo ediserve.
Wow. That's it. Till now, and yes, be a man for a your margin friend, so a man for that's what.
Especially, one more legally married before.
Okay.
Yeah. Obi o wa so ono de say yes yen kokko. Bear and pen be bed do one yo ono aye na dwuma ono be to the shop mu because of say we legally married. Na opese atemu a edeba ebeyense na obi diama obi na yenkoyese yeteto awade atane ade no omo be di akiri omo ebeto omanyuma mu akodi akiri ndi no tell amanfo da so ekramu pa. Wow. Yeah, say nyame adum ochina no ye beko bia ne nso no ye bebo ho ye beka ho asema ma amanfo ate.
Okay, what the adwuma why ya che fie bebre or report ni ade from Co to Accra and there's be Kumasi Accra wa be adwuma wa ha bebre there's be ahwefo na nim assembly says pen yeah I say e won kind we Accra say we kasa obi a busy obi a the adwuma di obi a born brother say obi an kaka yeah bia amanfo be di akira be say 9 months na say dey okay I want amount squat say amanfo kan wa say won obi say happen won obi mpani nsem da.
Me enya common and times me say dem hu bisa.
Wow.
Yeah, even murder case grandpa no make say yeah sebi u bi na sha daji u bi nkwa free nsem no kra no. Akosua man for dey try 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Akosua man for dey try 3 months.
That's Obia grapple baby at now, yes, sir.
Yes, now Obia Tiada. Video look at Uncle put the man for yeah, Obia. But case where case 9 months near tree, Slano, a month for and the tree, almost the outcome of it. So it tells you, Sabi Nipanara, what that from and I say, what can increase Amata and the winning now, but how we see some a year Ghana for.
Okay.
So, Anka, Senyema go na kwanso.
Okay.
Emma, enka bomu to me, Emma, ya. Enka ebeche nye you cry.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I was going to say, I've heard of kind why any money bunny or one kind, and the kitchen go on. Uncle, my kitchen alpha, Yanko Pon ya, Domoa, a Dutchna. And Accra High Court, assemble, na bubis as assemble, or some way. Celebration of life. Yeah, Nanka, that Lumba, Busian for Baye, at the Amada Lumba, I shouldn't even Yamna Koba say, Yana confuse, Nana Tupac, Nana Michiawada, my Pombo Cordier. At the Cordan court say, on the year Busia penny. Yeah, my money and money acquires well, no quite about church, Mina, more Catanwa, but they can't church him, maybe I know be Abekayan. On the year Busia penny, Mamremu, and Mremu be a more non quantity to me so ye. Now, or just why this year we. Why a year we on celebration of life was a day who is a celebration of life on see a ye. It is the Accra High Court injunction. Tabu on to say penny mark point that Emma celebration of life be a maso. Then now no PM that was on the 25th of March. Now you clear that court here say bayan common train so now feel no kosha mama ni amani ni amere mo ahwe why they go to me say we celebration of life and I year na bibisa na okohwani na mu wie na nyame adom a next month we go can last month next month busumi e wom de to so aduonu miensa 23rd of April na yakopon ya adom a efani na ba na oto ne bo ase adonsem no soko na fa mu na ahwensem nim de apebe bia sebe ye de ensem no beto yakopon ya adom ochina na sa 23rd of April no eso no ntini yakwa aman so a ye ni abon de boni e won kan onso on de kan no butu e honso na asem no bekoso nti woni mu update ni development na yeah, what the estimate to be kind only edin komo na sa eneti na me nua enti no finally me musa we na for yema bobo wo lo mo so nsensem so ye hwe ani mu nyame yad mo china nse Ghana for ni ani de akire e de na obeka kire obi a nyame yad mo china opese oba Accra High Court no be di nsem wachi o de okọ nti unim de ye ho de yenye wo ne de be boy na de na okade akire obi a wo hwe opese oba nyame yad mo china
Obia opese oba the Accra High Court na nyame adomoti. Bia oba bitie CDA assembly any bisi akọ. No omo ensizupi say judgment na omo de dama.
Okay.
Oche oba bi wura ka ensemu no. O timi aba say court dia ye bia bi to the more that any bia. Whether say o asem wo ho anawu ni asem no.
Okay.
Obetimi alcohol no mo. Anya that experience, that feel how it be asem cry to be fa.
Okay.
Okay, I say o court now on prison da. So we do court you be like one can say be you be to training who work on one idea. You'll be humbled.
Oh, okay.
You'll be humbled in a sense to say what you want no for you handcuff or backwards in and out.
Wow.
No one will need pass what you want now for Wodia and some book
okay. Okay.
You will see who is a nickel radio in the young for pa. You will probably do a mammy penny more than near pa. Which I want to get then and we'll go more. And you could do quarter and you will be no.
Okay.
Same baby for Uncle will be our unity in film pa. I know quite a cannot. I'm a winner. Some of the two same binomi and they and three months. Obiado to me about Oba, but you are so of the city assembly. Almost see in the assembly.
Okay.
So we are quite Obian Yoshi, you hear Oba phone. It has so been doing, and I say, what the best silent book or any one now could jump to me.
Okay.
And I know when you could
just selfie, I hold on.
I see. I never could picture the hour or you tapping chat.
Okay.
I want to know I'm contain and a yes and so for you think the woman when I say you did video and a picture.
Okay.
But court inside the young
when you're
my so here, one for the power count of 1 hour, you do my woman.
Yes, okay. Now, okay. Okay. Now, only maybe on say, and some be Akosua for some time now. On the 11th of March, and now Akosua, ebusuan for no, a corner distribution, the beef Sunyane, Bono region. Ebi free Sebio Anuaso section one Anuaso Western North bibi ani Anuaso area ho ebi free offenso Asante Agona ohima dida pecheche acheche biase any crowd do aka na ekohie wo pa akoso ya omasem wo kan ani ade o me na so motu na kofi usu Tupac e ma yi na ekofa bi di besma man sign say dey na enim no now e mo me say nsako mo gi asom di se akunya so mo de command na pa akoso he yanka bia nhim ni 2 days later ena abusuafo ni bi nso hia mu okuma se santase a se bi na okasa yan kwa ya me na minim ne pa se bi na ho pa opema se me pronounce pa ka se da bi ona e kasa de ma abusua no na Tupac na se na kofi usu na enya no kre se de course wo pa akoso na mo ditu wenye na mo de o mo ka mo bia se na Tupac e da se yo mo abusua pani e ma na kra kasa o ka kowie se sabi nipa obetimi etu ya na kofi usu ya na pa akoso hen ti wo stress na pa akoso hen mra bonten na o mu sa asem aba na se tu o mu so motu na kofi usu no otiase na so otachi na woni mu bia eni gina eda na o mu court no a later in that day that 25th kra na krata bi free na pa akoso hen stool upon kese stool lands if na pa akoso hen ahemfie e baaye ya krata if you buy na nsem wo mu ni se na pa akoso hen kire se e man panyimfo na ebusua mu panyimfo ade a o ma ye se o mo aka bo no motu na kofi usu na Tupac no ono asana pa akoso ne wagina ne tumi so ya wa kire se otachire ya waje atum e ma ye se o ne ebusua ne panyimfo ni na ahia mu abo opanyini kwabena brefudi se o mehwe achi o me acte as ebusua panyi so se eno achi kura no krata bi ebusua panyi acte na ebusua panyi o ba abonten ya na nsem wo mu na se o chere ya koma lawyers ya o mu jam di man na Tupac se sa asem no o mu koyin free sabi court isan say o na ye abusuapanyi wo free awaba na abusuafo nche say sa asem no bonyo so o mu akoma enso o mu ditu wenye enti o koyin free court na afei ya ka bi o hwe no o nka se si akoba ni se o gidi se bia nyame ya adom a after sa asem ba nyam bo chana na mo court likely say bia sa asem no betimi abepie mu court na be visa unu se bia betimi nya sunsun so o bia de be koso so ana Because no say angle abesi meeting say I says yeah, family say and the family there be two no. And Akosua here so krata aba abonten. And now Tupac krata what they call down court no. Me person you be prejudge there but the church ya drink akra bi. Now Tupac krata what they call down court or try or krata no mu say on na year busua parent in the locus and I say you know so original so more dey say me call court or ma call di two more I say be court we hwe nsem ni na say o so on na year busua parent na amamre ni amani mu so busua parent kwa na go to me and if indeed say na sa de na say na krata na Akosua ne so krata kwa ba say ya ya twa sensen o say onya busua parent bi because of amamre ni amani bi ampanfo bi aye na ya bo busua parent fu din a na nyina so ma ga asem ko din court no says yes, saying as one only nas would be until not minimum have you person a prim and what can be a I beg go but mean some my dream was here. I don't know. Means what dream you say? Away from court.
Judge in a car say or best share a mum and your money a council.
Okay.
It is that one to me a okay no. Eventually a few more.
Okay.
Because maybe computer money interview and change the after the same women in our computer money so you be a Asantimamua or not to know what Libra with 2 4 I think they were fast in your mood and then they were fast.
So you mama computer man.
Yeah, one time so no would be at the end a war. A year Asantim Crony be so on and almost the need so we're paramount chief for.
Wow, okay, wow. Okay.
What say no question no already can bob and ten say almost to no to.
Oh, okay.
It be a Jacobasa judge and echo fat will be a was the name of Mamma Monday and now maybe or the necessity of the teacher can't come with another camera. I was high court. No, the bar and also somebody me up a year at a full for 1 penny year. Ask him no.
Okay.
Yes. I ask no any crab because a mum and money no one say and tell me more.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, a penny could you a can't be group. Okay. So, show when you muja and it's near money now or no more.
Okay.
Say, and yes, sir, and town cannot pay the 1 year and can see your more cattle but you cannot pass one.
Okay. Okay.
And you know, I just say, dear. One more second, Mamma, money,
court usually was your baby or baby now.
Yeah, you know, wow,
yes, sir. Okay, but you're
and also
wow. Listen, a young watch now, Corner. Some black or special transmission. Then, you be swam, you be a film. You said in this year. Because I say, I'm power castle, you should want from money and money. Then, yes, I'm money and money one, you know, coming into place. I usually want to a fact these issues in an obey to one more. Okay. Wow. Wow. And here we are in for a long ride, pal.
I have to go. I don't really everything. Okay. That's what you try you because I check a favor song, a favor swan. Don't be enthusiastic. And I say,
yeah, official that I know correct. July.
The first one on check and the Japan the end so they also there a whole lot of drama. In this case there, that's what you child. Okay. Now away from court, you know, they usually may have much now BPF film about. And I know say okay, even with inflation tempest and reports here and say Jabrams I could do another day so about a himfiana or the Roma. Yeah, the Napa, ye actually go the usually be na I think say I could done when you are or maybe the port you him na Yami had one in the case on one in time washing waka na bibia and so I assume now away from courtrooms Yemra one of the issues are you go so be some na yedi mu komo bobo wolomo ahimfie amanfo o na wa na bibia ni na odina mu ho na de amane boss so ye na amanfo buza say omote se ye ka bobo wolomo ahimfie nsensem no asa ache adai se asansem no na mo agya ka ana se te say o de o wa Accra the last time o ko bobo wolomo ahimfie e de na course wan kasa ho wadaroma last time I call and I think almost share
okay
this particular month say almost fresh I have some no so almost Accra na new will be I think I am a okay almost a year
okay
but since then no yen TBBN free Bobu Ulomo and free.
Okay.
And I yen TBBN so free. I had the immediate family no and before that the last time I call I have Bobu on and no more person bit he calculate of BBN call so.
Oh, okay.
Yes, now the immediate family look at all person win a year between all one year for now one person ever media and some amount for club who not to be a cost.
Okay. Wow.
It could be say a beer, Bobu Ulomo and when I have for a can of I again back say I'm a video who be a mark, but I'm on my media and
oh, okay.
Probably to say the Omako because so far I can't see 170 could be said, yeah, Omako or one of my
okay. Let's say a bit behind the scene.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Or because our comment is here, Jim, my watches meetings are still going on. They just want to bring it to the media. Okay, yeah, sir. Okay. Well, as I be bring out dream say be an Akosua say anything. And now they also put you last time saying I no insist say chinchini akwan bi aso. Omo de one can say if you dey. We na say omo mpene man nka from and I say enka fi e dey be free on yes sir.
Yeah, last time I call in there, sana na omo insist.
Okay.
Moon be nya de on be priama na ka e fi hono.
Okay.
Every day, Omono, 7 years this year, which means he will be a war and can
okay.
Sorry, you can find which means he will be, but which means he pan over the fee.
Okay.
Which means he pan over the fee. That no more someone to the crowd. That very day, the national and not compared to a very high.
Wow.
I'm a young man, I'm said you pass and to Mama. What would be a money as Sonia, then I don't know how much to be a mamma amania so. Even in Pocata, no crown, no, no better, Mobeka, Catabia, apart from Ghana or Mocha.
Wow, that's someone to Ghana, but they actually are on this one.
No, they asked him, I know to drink
oh, okay. Wow. There is a be a meeting kind of massam 7 year and man empire must be a good nano anymore. The crown can on the catch them, yes, sir.
And can on the catcher.
Number me.
With you, I'm catchy, but for idea, second language on the account.
Wow.
Apart from English and chief party on count.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on count. And you know, so is it not a walk? To be our thinker.
Oh, okay.
Now, when you are home, not when you will be our own table for the one table for now. It's me at
and the last time, my job, fracture power. I'm say, okay, I can be found. Nungwa say, ye can nungwa say, wow, concraya. I'm also, wow, bosom. Last now, can be bisa near the church. My brief story in the career, not in now.
Yeah. Nungwa, yeah, no cranny. One more war. And your minimum who will be now, make an date, bro, for Casa.
Okay.
I'm will be or one of one. I think one quan, yes, some back in 99. I bought some 199.
Sir.
Yes. And yet, your now, say, crown almost the Afashi, Twins Festival, yeah, almost the Antana, 1 year, then
okay.
Omo obia entafonta na mbiomba na mambi bi ohon mo maye de mo tasu no mo de inya no hodo no bi gumu na obehwe na say to me o de tumani na beti wo mo so enya tafwa.
Wow.
Na eni so na igu ade nu je de omo chen fish no mo de omo hu ni na ade no mu so ni gu omo. In fact, omo a very beautiful culture. I was so dear to me experience it.
Okay.
Before say you did do on my way. Almost ye to say on my 1 year dinner. Almost a year and I don't and you almost the some almost how one turn it almost to me how and the wool on them so you be this all quite to my you was my
okay.
The honor say yeah.
Very powerful, yes, sir.
Yes, we're very powerful. Confocus, yeah. or very powerful. And or can say the suma and say almost very big hour and I so. Now I won't be just a family no everything one them. Though there could be a way, say the bit made the I can't announce but I don't need the almost mechanical know about thing.
Okay.
I don't get the other much of it.
Okay. Okay. Matia, bema na yeja o makọ obi abeka twa na fe yemfansie wadaroma. Ana busia se wo hwe me so na wo question bi a busia obusa obusa reporter ya o Accra ya. Nice man. Na ono de Serwaa wagye the license, ne. Obusia wo question bi afa bra within 1 week na ayagye ne brepa sabi. Oye bema wonderful. Ebi kura na obo ahema wo fi ana. Oh, okay, yeah. And you know, say, and then or relax kakanya there. Oba hima wo fi dey bi kwa meka senka. Oba hima age na me bra say dey self ya na training here bia, but eja ya me do oba hima any fi. Oh, question bia opuso busa. Ono ne kodi nsem na chi Accra High Court. Afi gbogbo lo ma himfin so ono ne kodi nsem na chi. Ti won say o ka bia won dey worker. Ti in about 1 minute wo question bia na obetimi dey aba. Na ya bisa na ansa na akọ. Na wakoto aso aja won dey wagye license ntia na odi bresa okay be na yenti we dey obeka twato na yesa question be ba na yebisa wadaroma
ne meka dey twato and say wo ye ochidini anase wo yo bi a open the immediate family at the dead lumba anase dead lumba ankasa ebra wati ate no ne nyum to ne ade no open asem ni adia say wo bompire no abubi so di ama the immediate family no.
Oh, okay.
Na kamia say ake enipa binumo ye da court amba bia ne binumo twetwe wo mo.
Oh ya asemo.
Enti wo bompire di ama mo say
okay.
Asem we nkuwa ya aka wo court ne de.
Okay.
Onyanko bo nje no munyam.
Okay.
Na really no enko enfama the immediate family no now also for once I want to be ready.
Okay.
Na I want to be Serwaa&Lumba animonyam. Maybe I mean to some point with Yano entimi nyanka yedumbi. Say the immediate family no say e ko ba se ko de mo mo nyanka yedumbi amafo ka beti ya ko ho mo sa ya mo so nyaka krampu.
Okay.
I dey go eye one mo boto mo tina busia for mo bompa ya. Mo bi mfama wo mo edu ho so support bi o mo tie bia no.
Okay.
Enfa enkonko support yo mo na the trust one is no. Must subscribe to by Grace TV. Your content be brave and no deba.
Okay.
And yeah, Mammy Akosua Serwaa any of your Pokumani that Lumba more content the other content. It is also or the bar. Yes, Samo. Okay. Me Ashe, the Dudumu. There is any no not a bois and where you many the humanity Yakosino when young more day, they can call Ghana and
okay.
They don't know and life.
Yeah.
And yes, and let's say I am video no so kusina man like much share the amount so. Okay. Now my son said to me akabi na omatimi ahwe program ye bi ni nyina dia support it. Okay. By Grace TV.
Okay, now okay say omo a omo do ma me the immediate family no mo mpa. Na bia no obi so hwe me. Joe explore with Joe ne woni aka mo so ebi omo so a tie na Kofi wusu Tupac echi. Omo so mo mpa say wadaroma. Obey there wadaroma.
Okay, obi aga ne dia mo dia ba.
Eja chira so explore with Joe no bajima no esi. Okay. Okay.
Aye, almost one pay the audio almost more. Okay. And the empire no baby and then
no. Okay.
At the end of the day, no one everything me I renew. But ni na mu ni ba ko yin sia ba ko.
Yes.
And when he said obi I want chamber be na se sebi baby asa obi a chamber want to ni. Okay. Want to ni na blood wo we it is thicker than water.
Okay.
Moja emudu esi insure.
Okay.
You say any be and to kakra wo no ma e kina wo ko no ma so nsa no mu didi na wo akwa kwa 10%.
Okay.
Ndi ke ndi achamu a na wo susu etimi adi pa. Okay. So ensam na sha tie ni mu no. What they say and sina fusu wo no na e wo Ghana no.
No, for sina fusu na wo Ghana.
Yes, oh, now no,
other side.
We know, but and they know the body free monade. Nani aba no ho sam wasan
Honestly, sister carbon, no crepe, no crepe.
What you say? What my social media na edi atem bebre. No so ni watching na. Abusiamu ise no o kan bebre. Wa fi alo kwa ye 10%.
Eh, asemo.
The other day, I can't wait to I will fully at you for
okay, Matia Bemena. Joyce, who's also for call bombing me?
Yeah,
my sister been so tight share your friend sister Joyce. Or Accra. Also for call or bombing. That's why you crew me preoccupy. Yeah. Now that quite share celebration of life. Mammy Akosua Serwaa a program. I said, let our quite is that all contempt a
yeah.
Let our quite an old bar cry or a cherry power bank come. I mean, so you see, I can't have some channel by that time now. And the me sure so share. I'll come in here. I just won't go crew and carry out the wow, shoot. As I say, by Coffee.
Ofi ojo mo kwetira ba bia ko bosse sin gbare wo ba ko mienu a aya na ye de se wo ku mo se ni bibi na be ba ku mu a
okay
aya na de se wo be ko no wa no sa
there's another what ya ka pontu let's what ka pontu I see and of course ni ba kon so aba comment this ya as an rama as also a call also call for you crew and a call for who show you so yes now even also fi call crew so I don't know if you me call crew I know say baby 2023 ya call na why you fine fa
yeah call bomb you
okro mo ye call no
wo say o kwa o be fi nkoko mu nyina e kwa
nkoko de say wase ho no mebo nkoko wase ho mebo
nkoko wase yes now they are for people no na ida say obefa ekwan no emienu ida say obefa obomi anase obefa empire so
oh okay
yeah dey na ba bi e koda ye no ye koda empire so
how am price on
sorry atb
oh ko atb okay
ko atb hono na ye koda ye fi wa they are farm price we dey room ko eye obomi
ti obomi na ba bi a hono ye kwa na ye programs no yes
mo
I feel be what kind of
ni na no eyo bomi ada communities na Canada omo eye bidie but ba bia hono mo boss for necessary ni na ye de artist akese ni na ba ni na eyo bomi
eyo bomi na say feel be what kind of ya na ejiji na wa feel be what
mo feel so kwa ho pe
the kai be bisa oh okay wow wow now everyone say men can't say on ofi go wow I see everyone say on ofi go obo and that's what fine faculty
okay yeah you from small lending
sir
oh yes hey as you can for go dey fear of me you want anya some ketwa
obo ho
share into the from small lending because Tikafu go on and die push houses and almost see
now do two everything now do two I see and to the free of bombing one on here one echo obo no emuwa na asese
oh emuwa teti ana kra de won say almost see adan ni ade no ama omni obo me kra ya bo ma te musie na eya tentem
oh that's the next town na obo
yes
oh okay I think say ko na ko tafo ni ade enso kakra am say ko
oh tafo de emuchi kakra from obome no go free obome a obe farm price so no akwa fa the pond
ko be pond okay
wako asaka ufi asaka asan wako tafo
oh okay I see
betra include miensa asan na asan wodu
wow hey go for say mo she wo pa
yeah pesi e ko eye buku a yenya ekwan ya e de chan ye chi no
oh okay I see Matia na ya na Easter next nyame de yankwacha next year Easter for your kokrom for your kokoro yenko Easter you quick adi wife wo fi ti say o don wa we dia na nya town kra mai I say oh okay oh go for ni yasab go ni for about precious pearls or say one of my immediate grandma married to Adolfo spare parts from Ko That's the papa ne friend of the spare parts of call. I see. Okay. Okay. Matia Bemena. And the one bar many kakra, ja no crow for. I say, well, Matthew, the Mammy Jow and 1 hour near a job, but be any a mess about. Why? Yeah, that's a plan. I'm sure. Okay, right. I was here and see, your reporter, Accra, and Akosua, what's in the bossing. A chunk for the trade, the course. So, and now that was on the 25th of March. Yeah, I'm copy Accra High Court. The Timwafo, a kind, the lawyer, a kind, the Abusia kind, and I think I'm going to that's not. Yeah, we are the yen share anymore. To the only yen saka videos ni kakra from the last time I'm copy mu Accra High Court. Yen share kakra bi ma we ye abra na omo court waka service or to the akoshe nyankopon ya adom china which is 23rd of April 2026, the year of our Lord Jesus Christ. Now lawyer original with the immediate family no. And as well original with my defendants no, that's my Akosua Serwaa of Ayapoko my Akosua me papa she. Or the same kakra to you, the intin in seven kakra bi. Na fe yen kaka ya mama dia kebe absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, you know, I think so injunction abusa panyin na motuna there so former abusa panyin de ba na judge na de rule na ba na emremu no judge na say opese owurura asem no mu yi na ohu de ekoso no ohu baby a custom no ana mamre no eda enti ne court no ebewurura sa asem no mu but confirm so obewurura asem no mawie a obehu baby amra ne da ne baby a custom no ana mamre ne da no enko osusu se enka yentwen ansa na rather no obetie case no wano afi susu no aka bia yabo ana aka bia so owurura asem no wie no hu se ma asem no ma former busa page case no entomu a eka bia ya bo wa asebu ho no o make sure say o metua e de apata ye enti no nitia wa ekoso
kaso ti emre mo say
judge no say yemra I think say 23rd of next month as I did no be ma ye dey a o de be hwehwe asem no ma o be ma I mean o be go into the trial of the case. Enti na nitia wa mu ano no de ekoso
celebration of life need to
ma yenhwe de ebesi enne ene kina ya hade. As for emrana there, the law presumes judge bia betimi I mean you may agree or disagree with any judge. Enti na ohwa oba high court judge ba kopena etna anaudi asem no court of appeal judges mensa oko supreme court judges enum eko if say ba ko there ebi obetima aye mistake to a mistake na so nsusu mu wona na nya adwen obetima commensa ho ni ahwe enti no me nyina begina nene chena de besi mse de ka no court say ye nsusu mu de enya ye obi ne ye celebrity ye ende share ye celebrity ye kunu ye celebrity ye ba but my judge no is entitled to her opinion also so rura asem no hwehwe mu the custom existe ene emremu no send the city answer nti na kwam so be wura ma wie take evidence obe tie sa na mani nyina de ni so mu de o sen kan twentwen so answer yenhwe de ebesi free na ekro madam asipu
right abusia so that is abusia pani come abre for say no ada no ko bi nti ona ene ho fo ni twam sisi a ona gina ona na tiko ehwe ase no nti sabre no abusia pani come abre for sabre na betina konya so yi court won bi edutie lawyer yasem o kan ya obonsem ba ko mienu bi so ya ni nyina fa with respect to issues I copy mo court ye di kan say temwafo ya otie adwam ya ma me say opese oto ne boase na okohwehwe ya mamre ne ya mane no ehu ba bia ya mamre ne ya mane ne da efa ayiyo ho and the celebration of life no and I chim say omo de omo say enya yi na omo ba be de ama de papa dadumba celebration of life and omo be ye e de ama ye papa no but che say temwafo che say da bi eno so ye yi enti no opese onya abote no ko hwa mamre ne ya mane nyina hu ba bia da ansa na afi oba tomato mbwas na nsa na to aso from me baako and afi o chim say enam say temwafo ko nhwemu tin court to ne boase na akoye say nhwemu ni na ti ube kaya na report and reference say every ansem ba kuma say high court about the oyayire ne ye onya yere amamre mu ne mre mu ne ade no edu we bia na wo se de asante anase akan na Ghana menka ne sample because your mind back Ghana amamre ne amane toto nsene ni no omo to nsa I mean lawyer kusi trekata de ko say ope ohani bia ma obe church nsem o de ko menhia ma secretariat no emma researcher ya wo odni ma research about amamre ne amane the person of teachers African tanka ebegina adakem say kai me say kai pa ebe church nsem mu about ya amamre ene say ya amane yina enso setienti me say temu forecast an ye de a ebi ebetimi kwa fa won so obe pe obi odni amamre ne amane na watie ni na mu ye no so ye baako ena fe o chim se kopem se obeye sa hwehwemu ni nyina wie na wonya fapem yie dia fa ya mamre ne ya mane ho afa ye mra ho no obe stress nka wo mu enya abotre because abre na aka 3 days am a celebration of life na for that Lumba na do so this na ma that Lumba celebration of life na enya ama so na chebe celebration of life for ma me Akosua Serwaa no to mu nya abotre kopem se sebi obeye hwehwemu ni nyina enso awie ansa and after so ye hwehwemu nyina wie afa if you nyame ya mochna se no na so yin hwemu awi a obesha se tie nsem na kwan so na afei odi asem wa na bibia aya sonje and osan kaka ho biem se me report e kwa kan ye ya lawyer ikwa sambo so biem se nyame ya dom na nsem no omu wramu edom suko na odi asem nyina awie na beto dwa se oh na Tupac mpo me srem kana na kofi usu edifo a srem kan o madaroma eka bia omo defendant my nipa foye don go gina court first defendant Mami Akosua Serwaa second defendant of Ayapoku third defendant Mami Akosua Bipoma fourth defendant Papa Shi omo bobia no omo be hwe se ina na kofi usu ebitua sa aka omo bobia enso e dia ma omo and they go say 23rd of April na aka na 25th March and the battle say 23rd of April nyame adom 23rd of April no ejebo anu wie nyankopon ya adom chena yenti nyame adom chena o be sanso akokot na yakotie the court enso eka ete afa sansen no but let's not forget say lawyer chim say omo se nya yie na omo ba beye tieni o omo se celebration of life no be dey ama omo this year no abehye na nimunyam but o say timo for just say there be yie no ba beye enti anonso won se baka no ebi bebe na akwa ya dwe ama sa bronze ni enima busu apani kwapon abrefo but ye hu no na mama sansi video no so bi yenhwe you say na busu apani kwapon abrefo ani wa be na owo ho bi ha ona the front ma oba se ni sa be ni enya mama Akosua Serwaa ma ni se mo hu na busu mama call back mo hu mama Akosua Serwaa so she was at the court saying I'm a reporter kan so that no wo no bi mama start na okay never
I think say injunction na abusu apani na
Mama start ha hwenye abuja pani ko na brefo na e front na Mama Akosua Serwaa
okay you know I think say injunction na abuja pani na motuna dey so former abuja pani de ba na judge na dey rule na ba na emremu no judge na say opese owurura asem no mu yi na ohu de ekoso no hu baby a custom no ana mamre no eda enti ne court no eberura sa asem no mumba se kopim so oberura asem no mawie a obehu baby amara ne da ne baby a custom no ana mamre ne da no enka osusu se enka yentwen ansa na rather no obetie case no wano afesu no eka bia yabo ana aka bia so oberura asem no mawie no hu se ma asem no ma former busapanye case no entomu a eka bia ya bo wa asebu ho no obe make sure say ombetua e de apata ye enti no nitia wa e course
Kazo ji emrem say
judge no say yemra I think say 23rd of next month as I did no be ma ye day a obe hwehwe asem no ma obe ma I mean obe go into the trial of the case enti na nitia wa mu ano no the course
celebration of life need 9 months
ma yenhwe de besi enne ene chine ya hade as for emrana there the law presumes judge bia betimi I mean you may agree or disagree with any judge enti na ohwa oba high court judge ba kopena etna anaudi asem no court of appeal judges miensa oko supreme court judges enum eko if say ba ko there ebi obetuma I mistake to a mistake na so nsusuo mu wona na nya adwen obetuma komensa ho ni ahwe enti no me nyina begina nene chena de besi mse de ka no court say ye nsusuo mu de enya ye obi ne ye celebrate ye nde share ye celebrate ye kunu ye celebrate ye ba but my judge no is entitled to her opinion also so ruru asem no hwehwe mu the custom existe ene emremu no send the city answer na kwa so be wuru ma wie take evidence obe tie sa na mani nyina de nso so mu de o think yan twentwen so answer yen hwe de final pro madam asipu
yes the observation camera before and our so that day no court so but then am say na be brain na yen sheda na enim no so na nya pa akoso ni nya mo ni yes nti ni na eka ho bi na yen hwe explore with you the comment about things related to lawyer Yasimo Kayenti, my mention na me some watching tribute one. You were about 2 videos from court that day. No, I say you refresh your mind. So, na be stuff na doctor and I'm home for any tribute. Now, explore Joe say na me share. I think say comments na related to this issue. Na you share the explore Joe say, but they already did the celebration of life. So what should Tupac pay again after verdict tomorrow? Okay, explore say it's not a report and it can be busy and I say. There's a celebration of life for the course over the weekend, you know. And I said that weekend, was not enough for that Lumba, not for Mammy Akosua Serwaa. However, initially, minimum the young was 7% premium worker because me call law schools on. But initially, the mass we call the celebration of life for that Lumba. I bet to Jakwaso on Bayan University of Ghana, on Bayan that is Independence Square near there. So that was the substantive issue of court. And until the man, after celebration of life, of course, now inquire for that Lumba, now inquire for Mammy Akosua Serwaa. And it's a 2 different scenario, but me person not prem workers because a mremwasem. See, Yami had much neck on yet there, you be something new about your mother. Yeah, and I say here they brought your mind. Just anticipate and see what will come out of it. Okay, now this video so yeah, now court at Sassy, never be APF share. Fire Poku, my doctor, and my interview. Until your brand of report so you can see your Fire Poku. It's a for infant or another doctor. So, yes. We are just refreshing our minds. So they I don't what happened the previous time and what to expect. Now, who out
One way Yankopon, one more pay Yanko, and Radin Sham was some pen of prayer. Yankopon for the love that you have shown for the widow. Somewhere Jinama and Okra, when Yankopon Shamu, the Akosua Yasina will be a shame in Yankopon. Timmy, we believe God more than human beings. Ghana, you know, will be a shady.
That was on the 25th of March.
Mama.
Excuse me, can you move? Hello. Gentlemen, can you move?
Just a
Okay. So yes, there's some of the live videos from the court, Sadano. Right. Now finally, another video. So I think see another video. Okay. So you share on swear. Na yente and someone see.
Yes. So I say this is why they Messi do tears here no. One na see celebrating. Yes. The best celebrating Akosua Serwaa fosu. One tears here.
That was that day no.
Ya be shem Yankopon ani munyam. So I say
okay. And I was appointed cover for
we love you for the prayers and love and the support. Make sure we say, yes, celebrity Akosua Serwaa day for su. We see celebrity why? Akosua Serwaa for su. One tears
as long as say this here celebration of course no wasn't for Mami Akosua. But then it wasn't for that Lumba. Okay. I think so. I can acquire more of a family matters and as a private matters in TM France one. I was young in this year, baby, and say no, I shall say na ababetu any baby away. Yankopon yard much na. You be the tree, the court back be the munchum baba small one sign. Let me be a ayaboko. Let's not forget how this waiting was written and as I told you on the 18th of March, February 2026, and I told you to share Nana Tupac, Akosua, and versus nipa 9 of the Omukujina court. Somebody can say nipa 9, nipa 4 of the Omukujina court. Maame Akosua Serwaa on the first defendant, and afei of Ayapoku, or also so a second defendant, afei Maame Nestina for so a third defendant, and afei Papa She. The also was Papa She, where we seem to say, and or no bar. The issue is that Papa She, Naku or Kaumwa, 7 and Akosua don't go in our court no. And nipa 9 of them go in our court no. Papa She can wear fourth defendant, your back court to say, really, never in our court to be. Yeah, obeying someone. Until him say, yeah, who said the amnesty and your fair idea of whatever it is, I will say. Now, quickly, my member brush up with the release and Akosua at the free court on. But on him, yeah, can't same way now. The NTS, yes, sir. Was okay, but come and say this, I'm to say to another park now there. It's the end of the film about an apple and so cracked about one thing. Yes, Yami had much now. Court to attend saying now ever coming to play with respect to the Akosua until the young cross the fingers because let's not forget say okay, let's take note. Say the last time I'm call no 25th and you call no. I'm call buy no and as I'm call ya I'm free one na number be 4 baby. And a crata bab on tif na Akosua ni oba say. Sebi wagye atum na Akosua su tuo no. Ya wabo abusua pani ko na brief din say one abusua mpanifo na abon din say on na emehwe akiri. Now on acting as a business penny. Meaning say Rebecca, but if you want to win court about this issue, be to be saying I'm much now. There be on court no. Lawyers Columbia law, lawyer Dominic, the lawyer for you examine the man, defendant, referee in Accra, but the lawyer Opoku, anyone here can never to say. They be only one man in our court, and they be lawyers who examine the man like confusion so. Opposition be to South 7 also the beba. Until they fix na corner. There is a lot of ibisua. Me the good thing is assemble no matter how it is biano. Instant bia isua be free. For you na yem punto any can continue with training hwe yankopon ya much na they be pay from about. But this is the statement of claim. They are not confused to not official at the free court or yent within something na ekodan court. So somebody can bobo so and already will be aware. But for the sake of we be all kind of me brush up but din be 3 minutes per na yem for showing na Mary, but I do believe I say how far with Koneme's case. Okay, I'm not able to say official lawyers for established law for and that's Odobroni or more I filed 10 million Ghana cedis defamation suit. That's 100 billion defamation suit. And on the report able to join but as it stands now, me have to be from me have to be a the best more na yes I said my gather report means say the passport I'm on back. Me no say be a tate near the until there you be di mun komo ye near the what the findings no. So this is it. Statement of claim. They are not confused. Maybe it's Nancy. Now question for me. Simply. Young watch now. Omo court. Young watch ebusuan for court. Not Tupac ne ebusuan for in their court. A celebration of life for that Lumba. So let's not forget. It's a brother Mama Akosua celebration. Query no. Mama Akosua the crack about one thing say. Omo gusua din semechi na se nyame adom na se court. Emma kwan celebration of life for that Lumba. Omo nya. One ne kuna busuan for beka abom normal celebration of life e dia hye ne kunu that Lumba ni munyam enti obi wo say asene ya celebration of life for Maame Akosua Serwaa wi anka na there be the course na for Maame Akosua Serwaa but nyame adom say the Maame Akosua Serwaa kata of the bible ntene kan say nyame adom na court makwan na court ase a one ne kuna busuan for na beka abom normal celebration of life a very said you almost describe it as a befitting celebration of life e dia hye papa no ani munyam said the city until the enya botre na yen said the AC call but straight away on your screen minim say busuanfo mu hu amada ma mu hu de da so ya on your screen ensensem one na kofu so the Ekodan court the all free court one and so on a plaintiff no because the plaintiff's claim is for the plaintiff's claim is for the any kind or say a declaration that the plaintiff as a busuapeni of the Akona royal family of Patienyo as at that time a busuapeni of the Akona royal family of Akosua and Suta has the sole and exclusive authority to organize, supervise, and approve the burial and funeral rites of the late Charles Kojofusu. And then someone called that back or kind of say, that's what they say. On the year a busuapeni as at that time, on the word to me, yeah, the to me a crime will be it is out to me be. Send to waiting a year, ye be. I don't quite what to me, so wait me a year, and that's Obama quite say, ye being costly, see being costo, ye father doing back young. And I'm a business, say, a jay Brentiana mecanum the so I can't call. Because the Union saw more than some down court, the can't call, say, or catch a course on a year bush yaping. On the correct 2 million, the years also to me to Anamobia. And I says, yeah, bush unfortunately say, now confuse you, two say bush yaping. And I'm not dancing. I'm not Akosua in a craft answer bar mountain. You know, I ever demon commander. Yeah, Sack and Akosua in a craft bar what about once. Every 2 months they say, or not as an Akosua. What they can support at the Amadia Busia for actually, I say, and I'm on 2 or more to me. What they can support the amount. Yeah, or tell you, say, any honors are. So if that is the case, they are. They sure say, yeah, and I'm not Akosua in a craft and I'm being a lot of people, of course. You know, I don't know. Me person a prem wakasa o marani amamrem because me akwada me say the name marana minimum amresa. But yet then yeah nyame admuch na na be pim court. Yeah, interesting times ahead. Yeah, is I mean a case for us I be sia yamrani ye ni amamrani amani ye. Ni attend once. Nti no ye baako. So we ye busu apegin nti no. O no go na go to me say obetimi aye say obetimi aye aye ana obetimi aye bibia fa na this year no esie na crown. It is say nya ono na ye dia obia ni to me so obeye bibisa. According to Injünction more than banner. Okay, maybe it's Nancy Matia, Nyame as what Aquaba, a bit rasp in Mal is in Yasan Kutor. That's 10 million Ghana cedis. And Divine Charities say, why haven't the family sue Nana Kofi for mishandle of Ayasemo Dear's body? Okay, okay. I think they be an as a similar dogs on TV breakfast with 200 among the okay. Now the second one is a declaration that the burial and funeral ceremony held on 13th December 2025 constituted the final and valid funeral rites of the deceased under Akan customary law. Enti, you say, court muamana or court muamana will be answered say, Yeva Pata Lumba ni see. And in the year course walk massive mountains on the 13th of December, blowing up the minimum. That also do me and sa. Our film pim any no. And one now what they ma a year. Yeah, a year final, a year chatokra, na essence dimu, our kind from Amrania money. Yent and what you'll be anting near ye be able to court one on some. And after all, second of account say a declaration that the defendant's proposed celebration of life, because I'm somebody celebration of life. Eddie Amaya Mami Akosua Serwaa. I know what Chim said. Or court more said a declaration that the defendant's proposed celebration of life event scheduled for 28th and 29th March 2026 is unlawful, unauthorized, and contrary to account customary law. Until was said, court will say woman on come will be anti-assess. Empokrano, a year any pan 9 year don't want to court. Mami Akosua Serwaa. Of fire pupu, Mammy Akosua Brimpoma, any papa say. Almost celebration of life, almost your mobile, and the Amaya Papa that the Lumba. That's on the 28th and 29th of March, Sadburn. Court to moi, and will be anti-assess, and Madame Mahon Quine, a unlawful and near Barco. After aside the fact, said Mahon Quine, court to say one tias and will be anti-assess. Sub Obia Mahon as or not. Or ye busia penny make us me chance as hard track atano and you ask for the track atano where ye busia penny into no ye busia penny unauthorized or ma will be to me say will be uncle jumadi be at Santi Court moi Emma or me until I said there be such on person it is unauthorized under his watch as a busia penny and to court one moment as sir after court on some one moment as say celebration of life one person and also just say and I can form a money and boy bra Adia kind amambrani amani engine tunsa intini kwan se koso because say or reference say na ya account for amambrani amani dia na eni na so bia anti court emontu ye ni kwan se court ko amakwan na oditum se bibisa enkoso eno so yensem bia o chem de ko chere court and afi all say to so biemu or kabibi say an order of perpetual injunction restraining the defendants, their agents, assigned or privileged from organizing, performing, advertising, facilitating, or holding any further funeral, burial, or celebration of life ceremony in respect of the late Charles Kojufosu without the express consent and authority of the plaintiff. Do I say? Or say court was say court ever taboo injunction no taboo a ye afebɔ taboo a ebe wo akɔpem sɛ wiase bɛkɔ awie ɔmfa nto so sɛ bio defendant metre nipa na ɔde wɔn akɔgyina court maame akɔso asɛ first defendant of Ayapoko, second defendant, third defendant in the person of maame akɔso abempoma, and then also fourth defendant in the person of Papa Shea. Sɛ nipa na yi ɔmo bia ni hɔ a ɔwɔ tumi sɛ obetumi akɔ na wakɔ sɛ ɔkɔ akɔyɛ celebration of life yi ɛde ama yɛ papa Lumba na aside no ɔmo bia ni tumi sɛ ebi a wɔn mo anase obi a wɔn atu wɔn na musi ni bi ana obi a wɔn asoma wɔn sɛ o kodi dwumadie we mame kɔyɛ se mame obetumi akɔ sɛ wɔn kɔ organize bibi a afei wɔn kɔ tu na mom bia afei wɔn kɔ bɔ ho dawuro kɔ ade bi wɔn ni tira tumi no afei kyɛ sɛ wɔn ni tumi sɛ wɔn bɛyɛ bibi asa celebration of life in respect of yɛ papa Lumba ɛwɔ abira as that time of church that wɔn nana kɔ fi wusu wɔn ma wɔn kwan sɛ wɔn kɔ na wɔn kɔ ɛkyi no so court emu ama ne saa na ɔnte ase said they are etie. And after also to be no say when you first one a perpetual injunction na the court on fan to so afebɔ sɛ kɔpem sɛ wiase bɛsɛe no saa nipa nan yi maame akɔso asɛ wɔda Lumba yɛre afei second defendant of Ayapoko that Lumba wɔfa ɔno ne maame efiri efiri krom afei deɛ ɔtɔ so mmiɛnsa maame akɔso abɛmpoma that Lumba sister panin yɛ wɔn that Lumba yi na efiri efiri krom afei deɛ ɔtɔ so nan Papa Shea ya mo just family confidant abusua no or we can abusua no kwara bi mo na na say yes bra na Papa Shea nsi da nyini sa o nyina bom no o ni tumi bia say o me kwa akoye bibia sa e wa bra ono na na kofi musu misre meka o ma kwan ti say wa ma kwan ansa na o matumi akotua na mo biara etisa no so ye baako and after what was being say when you perpetual injunction that's forever and o san ka ho biom say o san record say court on fa an order of interim and or interlocutory injunction pending the final determination of this suit restraining the defendant from proceeding with the advertised event scheduled for March 2026 or any similar event. You always court to say court on fa injunction. Yeah, no injunction when you say court be cancel you don't fan to so na court cancel you injunction when or to interim injunction or the to so court be cancel you the court cancel we are not perpetual injunction here forever afebɔ no and so abeto so na say injunction that's why from the onset that copim say we asking abekɔ we and another of interim or interlocutory injunction copim say court be cancel we and court go fata bɔ to so say be obi antimi nkoto na mo bi etisa say yeah no be see defendant in na kwan so mo ntimi nkodi dwumadie we etisa no nti na Saturday no 28th and 29th of March one say celebration of life of course na for ma me Akosua Serwaa na mom not for that Lumba because the court gas on transfer which is that Lumba celebration. That's why our plans will be changing here. Celebration of life for your mommy Akosua Serwaa. Name not for a papa that Lumba and also your back. Afe or say another restraining the defendants from soliciting. Tell you another restraining the defendant from soliciting or receiving donations from the public in the name of organizing any funeral or memorial ceremony for the deceased. You know, Afe court crown Santia Sibium. Na onfa tabo emantam nipa nan defendant nan say won woni to me bia say on be ko say on ko pɛ moa on ko pɛ emoa say bia o adofo meboa sika na yemfa nye ye de hye no the celebration of life and now simple from soliciting and your back or receiving and po say bia ebinom kra pɛ say o ye pɛ say ne se musim boy celebration of life dia my papa ya ene papa ko me pɛ na asem na nyum opunu hini me yem de panti bia maame Akosua Serwaa won e ofa Ayapoko ni maame Akosua abempoma ene papa say munyi 20 Ghana na mo fa mo so da bi court on fata bon to om so say empokra no emo receive donations bi an free Ghana my boy free amansan ho say be donation a omo gi e dey organize say you say memorial ceremony bi ade amada dum bi an court on fata bon to om so simple bi no Christ omo discuss crap bro say munyi na mo fa celebration na ema omo I mean omo ni tumi say wo so omo gi and also yen sem no baako yeah nana I record down court say court emu ama ne saa nti no so yɛnsɛ no bia ɛna afei otoa so a the other one yɛ sɛ costs including legal fees necessary no and any further order or others that this honorable court may deem fit in this circumstance ni na akuri anasa aka ho biem say afei say biko awon bia wa amoso a order bia on court hwe no the can be ne beboa ama bia ya asomdua and the court now that's at the discretion of the honorable court the two me no wetimi agina mra so now the account said yeah is yet these are some of the conditions are and I say the statement of claims are nana miami nana Tupac nana Kofi Usu the Kodan Accra High Court say the also court say oh pray to court say court and grant a man say impocrano aside bibiano a ma omo consultative for funds say omo pay donation and now say bia obi Christ or be bomb donation bia in honor of your upon celebration of life omo ni 2 years and as a court in fact I born to so say mo omo nye bibi etisa mo mo nyisi ka bi etisa tini na ayensem a ekoso na sensem a eba be pie mu e wona na Tupac the statement of claim or the Ecodan court no yes that is the busia we nyina ya the ekoso but yame ado china eti na nkopon hu ye mo a court resume sitting as a court date o majoni asem ko share na adru ne de in sense no be sha se afi ho na fe de aka bia de age kanadi bia no empanyefo hu ye mo no de adom ye na yati ansem ase so we just have to cross fingers na odi yenya abotre na yenhwe de nyankopon ya admoch na court ebeka and okay aside this one back on the doors until person making never him from away aside sans we no and na chirem die nti and nyina so nti a or can sans we na e de akire the Accra High Court that is background to the story no the mamen go through kakra asemo abusia kase mamen go through kakra bi the background of the story no e him fa shall say free fa and you are statement of claim no menim se mo ho a mal say make am say me na say o say me dey owusu nti no be dey owusu na to pass dey owusu nti na say me na prekope but mama whatever now this the statement of claim no and that's no yen share statement of claim is say the kind first one I say the plaintiff first one, so the plaintiff is the head of family of the Akosua royal family of Akosua and Insuta in the Ashanti region. Yes, that's Ochim. You know what they say. No, that's another damn court. On the year, Ebusia penny. Edema Akosua this Ebusia a war Akosua and Insuta and no Yabako. Yes. After they told me, and I was here. They told me, say the first defendant was pronounced as one of the customary wives of the late Charles Kojofosu, aka Lumba, by her ladyship, Mrs. Dorinda Alpha, PhD, in a judgment delivered on the 28th of November, 2025 by the High Court, Kumasi, in suit number GJ12/20/2026. It was say, or can will be at yes, the kind, or no, you're just another down court. You know, so when I say, when I hear bush happening, so let me bush say, and it's obvious, and I'm supposed to any crater any idea, a dimwa. Na, I think, say, Eddie and Ambo Chaibisu Yamra, any amamre. Because the locals no look some down court and say why you bush penny. And I think it's just that because you only bush penny being because of the man penny for and the young penny for and I'm so the crater team so say me as of him ya when I bush penny but their team so say yeah you was in chain na obi church in term of bush penny and no I don't know me nimra is and me nimra me cause na me nimma mamre sanse me akwara but if it's na kono I know say me na ibesua de omi ehun say the city. The interesting times ahead, pa me back. And a second one, or my background, or she wants court to say the first defendant, yeah, Mammy Akosua Serwaa, Kumasi High Court, Eka to me say, or ye renum bako. On according to Kumasi High Court ruling, no, you have father Lumba, ware me, no, Sebio, court, so, I'm say, many man according to Kumasi High Court, ruling, no, by her ladyship, Mrs. Dr. Justice Dr. Dorinda Smith Alpha, PhD, on the 28th of November 2025. And I be told your suit number near GJ12/2020/2026. And I be told you from the suit number and I say, Sabio, if I pay or worry, ya mammy no na ya mammy no worry no. The Odikan or worry in the year 1991. I feel pay my uncle you come back or bomb so. Yeah, Kumasi, that is your Mammy Akosua Serwaa. And after in fear don't connect 19 years later, according to Kumasi, I could name an American, 19 years later, on the 10th of April 2010, Obeware ye sister Odobroni so e won kran tantra hell. Enti no court change there be na saa de a ye wa wade awodo omiensa e wo ye man Ghana ye wo ordinance. That's the civil marriage now. No worry ba kwa court they want worry being count. And ye wo Christian ye wo customary marriage. That is if ye dia and ye wotimi aware e bia ka ho. And ye wo Islamic marriage and so wotimi aware be say 4 at the account. And the court say saa de a ye ma me no mienu. Ye ma me Akosua Serwaa na ye sister Odobroni me ka sa. Sabio that the Lumba e ware yes ye ma me Akosua Serwaa na sister Odobroni true if you awade customary marriage. It's not Tupac and what you said. The first defendant was pronounced as one of the customary wives of the late Charles Kojofosu, aka that Lumba by leadership Mrs. Dorinda Alpha PhD, in the judgment delivered on the 28th of November 2025 by the High Court, Kumasi in suit number and the original Bakwaka. After to us, but anyway, I know say appeal. My Akosua Serwaa filed for appeal. Tibi and Yami, no coming appeal the so now a court higher than the High Court, which is the appeal court. Ebe overturning the ruling of the High Court. I think so whether we like it or not, we are being binded by the ruling of the High Court because now saying brother people mind. Whether we can't say what Timasi said the here. And the third point, say the second defendant is a member of the Akosua royal family of Akosua. Second defendant near wine, second defendant near of Ayapoku. And once I'm okay. Therefore, also the third defendant is a member of the Akosua royal family, ordinarily resident in Germany. Third defendant is Mami Akosua Serwaa. Mami Akosua Bempoma no chim so. Third defendant as Abre or also na wonsem e won bia o de na begina court no. Mami Akosua Bempoma. On also can busua no. Yeah. Oye of busua. Yeah, I work back also. And in Suta Echo. The end was near the next page in Sway. I intend and 7 eka. Yes, and the ought to be more. Didn't I caught in some character and have a normal background to the story. The fourth point I'll say the fourth defendant is a self-styled evangelist who publicly holds himself out as an agent, spokesperson, or representative of the other defendants in respect of the act complained of hearing. The fourth defendant near Papa She was Papa She, a evangelist, self-styled evangelist. I was just Papa She just evangelist. Sabi or just or no or kasa edema a defendant no or kasa the mebusia for no. Okay, I think so. Crater Babontin some time back, Mammy Akosua from Crater Babontin or Case. Ebusiano no way Papa she say on Casa from mom. That's the or Chims the immediate family. To make immediate family, Yaman America, Minam could be Ebusian myself. But me immediate person, Crater Babontin, don't just say immediate family. I'll report it like that. There's now our first come now immediate family there be Nebusian saying it here. I don't care, but then the character Bible thing as a media person report the amount. So the amount to my sister. Why? I say okay. After it also be one. The fifth point now, the 6 points now. Or can be or say the plaintiffs averse that the late Charles Kojofosu, aka that Lumba was some internationally acclaimed Ghanaian musician and a royal member of the Akosua royal family of Akosua in Sutan. He say the plaintiff not back cardiac court a year papa why in your media the late that Lumba or no or you to make us here we are seeing agony to now baby I'll be for Ghana hebia and pim the nimno now omobona baso and then yamia so never dom Ghana. Ejine nyum to otumpa na afi osa ka chim se enam se osa ye dini kese ye na dini tu no osa so obi a oye dehye ye ofri adehye busua ye wo suta ekọ ene pakoso emu ene ye baako afi what also say the plaintiff averts that the late that Lumba passed away on the 26th of July 2025 at the Bank Hospital in the Greater Accra region of Ghana and therefore not to say can the check court BM say sabi apa that Lumba na ye memmen that make kai pa me that's why am ti asem no nyame kwanta me twa hwe me sun papa memenda bosome nsum de to so de onisi awa afim pim eni de nunu and e papa that Lumba ye nyame dia e Bank Hospital ya e wo enkran Greater Accra region and see back. After what was be say, the plaintiff averts that due to the internationally renowned stature of the late that Lumba, a funeral planning committee was duly instituted, comprising the third defendant, other members of the Akosua family, representatives of the wives, musical institutions, and traditional authorities among others. You know, Ochim said, Sabi, Emma, see papa na wiase na agene tu na wiase na bona baso na nyum tu du achi mampo English hene ken chas. A year playlist in the year 2024, nyum 20 and the power that Lumba nyum ka on pem do no. E wiase na agene tu na na sent no. Sabi we nyame dia no, baso ko aye power ye, sabi hwe na yie mututu ne ade no. Na baso ko mo power ni yie mu na baso ko a na third defendant maame Akosua before say crat e kan ode kodan court yo kan yo maame Akosua before aka ho bi afa kwa de shibusua no abusuafo ni bi ka ho bi afa ye maame no mche maame Akosua se wan yesterday Odobroni wo so na musifo no mo ka ho bi crat e sa na waka no mo afa anyimtofo mpanyimfo Ghana no mo ka ho bi na traditional authorities na no matem konya so no mo na aka basumuku a sabi mpanyimfo power se o mo hwe ye papa ye omo nye na bibia mo nye ye nhye na bibia nye bokọ no and so na tie and after what was we know say the plaintiff averts that prior to the funeral and burial of the late Lumba, the first defendant instituted an action at the High Court Kumasi suit number GJ12/20/2026 seeking among other reliefs an injunction to restrain the plaintiff as head of family from organizing the burial and funeral rites of the deceased. Was it? And now kwan so omugwa na monto so arese brepe on baya yie aye hye bia no and a first defender ya maame Akosua se wa den sem ko dan court ya nsem wo de ko dan court na no hwe se nka court emfa tabo ento ina na confuse so se be ya ontimi tonko so na onko ye sa bre no ontimi tonko so na onko ye yie anaso onko si ye wakota Lumba enye yie kai se bibisa akoso ya and after about point 10 now say the plaintiff further averts that in the injunctive ruling delivered on 30th October 2025, the High Court Kumasi suit number GJ12/20/2026 dismissed the injunctive application and affirmed the plaintiff's authority to organize, supervise, and approve all funeral and burial processes of the deceased. What you say? Sabi, sa asema koda court. Kumasi High Court. On say and some court name you know. The can court no. America Serwaa and the court na ba ko ye say. Court emfa tabo ento sabi ya na confuse say the be ya on Tonkosu Enko plan a year bia. I don't court really on the 30th of December and 30th of October. And some after about the other case now legal wife and so. So that first case no that was ruled on the 30th of October no. Court castle not Tupac busu appointment no obetimi aye the person obetimi aye na yie and as obetimi go ahead with preparations now there. Tiana so waka wa say watch mu e dey actual court san. Yes, nti anno so waka no ha actually say court ma no and I could feel to say, Lance one able to apprehend to me say, Obetimi akọ organize, obetimi supervise, afi, obetimi be a 5 upon a year home, na bibia and so akoso, and also your back. Afi, it also be more say, the point 11 no, or say. The plaintiff averts that subsequently the third defendant near Wayama Akosua Bimpoma, the plaintiff averts that subsequently the third defendant invoked the sacred oath of the Asantene and summoned the plaintiff before the Asanteman Tribunal. The Asanteman Tribunal equally affirmed the plaintiff's authority to organize and supervise the funeral and burial rites of the deceased. Was it? And then I'm so Mama Akosua Bimpoma can in time. Mr. Mekabo Mwasi, and Madaroma. Now, calling the case in time, the Kupian and one Emma. Not to back out and the record court no change said, no come to me say, or no answer with your pain, what to me so bit me a call. Now, Quaquay, be a fatan, to bit me a call, no Quaquay, said ye, none so accounts, and a walker on the cartanum. After it also be more said, the plaintiff averts therefore that acting on the recommendations of the funeral planning committee, Asanteman Tribunal, and under his authority, supervision and direction as head of family, the final burial and funeral rites of the late Lumba were duly performed on 13th December 2025 at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Kumasi, after which the deceased was buried in accordance with Accra customary law. As a lawyer, or say, the attorney say, and I'm say, court, a man 2 million and or just a court and I'm so cast on able to which me acquire your press way a fat that Lumba a year near the end, and after funeral planning committee, so a recommendation near the end. Ojina so. Emma Ojana 2 years so say amamba na amani sitie say do no kratem Emma bronya bosom no de to so dum yen sa wa afim pemienu ene de no 13 December 2025 oye papa na yi Kumasi Heroes Park Baba Yara Sports Stadium oye was it duly performed oye papa na yi said the sene factor duly performed Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kumasi 13 December 2025 now oye papa na yi wi no papa na mu so no osie no tieni o after which the deceased was buried in accordance with Akan customary law as a royal. To say, as I was here upon the year, and so I was here upon a year. O see upon so said the account for my money and money to acquire for see or this year be and or fast so. Okay, we are lights no call off until now. We didn't mean when you made the lights now, but I shall. aban mo hwɛ mo nkan ya won sensem na mo yo ɛno de wɔsɛ mo hwɛ na mo yo nya sampan sensem a aye de gye aban madaroma mo hwɛ na kan ya nyina so mai na ha adwena ase madaroma ye nto aso nya amanyasem ne ye we de na just a passing comment say aban hwɛ na kan ya no ma nyina so mai say ye ha adwen too much now it is afonya asem ketua enye de here ne na enye yo ho afei enti de make wo say oye nyina wie no na wo sie ye papa no said the ya kamfo ya mamre ni amane and years after which the disease was buried in accordance with account customary laws around we see ya papa no said the kamfo mamre ni amane tie kwa ya see this year so we be no ye no ya echinye bia eni ho afia to also be more say the plenty of us that at the burial and funeral held on 13 December 2025 were publicly announced and widely attended by family members, traditional rulers. Okay, after I'm put the next slide now in front of us. And to watch him and penny for do any more soon a better tree, and a year boko traditional rulers, national and international dignitaries, musicians, friends, and members of the general public. It was say another panel or sit here, na we are snatching to na any pam budget is something. Na ye ekosu. Omo bon dero mountains nyina. Emma a yeni du akire pa. Na enam say yeni du akire ntino. Yo apa na yie na busua. Eni pam pem. Yo apa na yie ni pam pem e fra chichi ni benche. Omo nyina baby. Ya chese ni pam e ba ye no. Ye nhwe. Ebinom eye ohen fampo. Ni pam e ba ye no. Ebinom ye busuafo. Na ze busuafo no pem. Da bi abdi. Called the Yambochna, whatever. Yambochna Yakoden. A widely attended by family members near Barco. Afe, traditional rulers, now not in Kunyan, so what Ghana. To do not do any more yam sunsum. Now not in Kunyan Ghana, don't have do any more yam sunsum. Eba bet that tree, Emma be a boko. Afe, yan unqua. I don't want him for fetch chin, Ghana high for do not buy. If you want to see a trust to be more. Afe, national and international dignitaries. As your mind Ghana, a bam penny for don't do one by irresolute get yourself, baby. And I'm saying one crabby. Chamount to me so buy, Chamount to me so buy, yeah, because I was there. Chamount to me buy, and I'm being cry. I was young car, buy one penny for a buy, and the original minister so buy. And one coming. And one will be penny for yes, because our chimo as he say, I buy one penny for be now buy. And I say international dignitaries say nipa mpem so ya akase from war amount also. International dignitaries be am say dan kai won we am who be one wetin am comment. E comment section am na be bia e boko. Nti no so ye say dey sit here. And what chem say na no maten kunya so buy. Ko na no nyina ba de on munya betetri. Ghana ha hemfo de. Na no do na buy. Nti na no be am hu no say me kai say me hu na dwabe man he chi am na apiaje dan kaus na other man bo mu as me body na account na buy. Afei WFD court case ni nyam watch na mama wadaroma court case ni nyam yad watch na wadaroma afei na be kwa bi na me hu no o na bia wetimi am me hu go so kasa na kwa chi na no mpanifo be na buy na yes ba for that so buy ni e container e trust di kura na so buy no kura makai and I think say na hima bi so osua na area na so buy and abuzi amon kaka mi bi okay, until they make kai be a man catch them. Yes, to just say, I'm not answer about the after musicians and so a buy musicians and I jump on buy. After one crabby brother Sammy, my God is also buy. And I want crabby him. Okay, DJ K is on your name to me. Though or your broadcaster. One crabby him. Oh, Nana back. So, Nana watch that Costa Dentra. I only for Dentra. I'm so buy. Yes. When my issue, the tenants and run the bit told you, say, Sabia Moka said, officially, yes, established law for and I said, Odobroni, lawyers are filing for 10 million defamation suit against Konema. That's the news a bit told you and run, but after now, the young updates be to me, I'm the Barberson, why, Madarama, not be a boko. And to know so, I won't say, I have friends and members of the general public, coming now about the Techibia, now and Yasam Kutua. And I thought just not say, catch a call to say. The plenty of verse that the children of the disease were present at the said funeral to honor their father. And to say, after your pain, so the ma ebaya Omuna betechri and papa bedin kra said yeah isi ete. And from what we say the first defendant refused or neglected in you or say the first defendant refused or neglected to attend despite due notice and notwithstanding that her name appeared in the obituary as a widow. Do I say Mama Akosua Serwaa may no. Despite the fact say Sebio Carter not to park the court and court you in America, Yemen America. Despite the fact say I'm born a man yes I don't work as I actually said, that's why if I'm born a man here. Now for the deal crowns and the bank crater will be actually listen. Say okay. Here no more said the court can. Then so saying Mama Akosua Serwaa man to catch your court. I've what we not say the plaintiff affirms that the funeral and burial of the late Lumba as a royal was successful. The plaintiff affirms that the funeral and burial of the late Lumba as a royal were successful and widely covered by both local and international media and remain matters of public record. So come will be able to say, you are panel year, no, yeah, of course. A year, Sabine, now this year, mean can say the funeral as a royal. I don't know about this year, of course, no. A year very, very successful. Bibia koso kama, Bibia yasumchi, Yamia dum, Bibia koso na kwanse de ye see this year, bia. Sala koso. Yeah, Bibia touch my Bibia koso na kwem. And I feel. And I'm saying, you see, you said this year, you know. And some careful what Ghana ha. And then some careful we are seeing now. Both it was widely covered by both local and international media. Some careful what Ghana ha. And we are seeing now to one one. I be cover ye. Yeah, one dancing now. Wow, okay, you see now bushing that numbers funeral. Obon say bia Ghana ha by Grace TV. Yeah, fire cover be now. I can cover be no. Obon say bia international media and so bia Al Jazeera some count. Ebia BBC, Ebia CNN, Ebia on the Sun, on Sky. I mean the Sky. Ne is our media tabloids. We are seeing now. Ebia almost quite perfect. National media be fair. Ebia huna ni emo. Oko Togo TV tinom. Afe radio Namibia. Ne one international media. How do we are seeing now? Eba be cover ebia. Ahwa dance here no one more. Igna ebeti me ho bi. No so yebako. And after what was we not say? After the burial and funeral, the plaintiff, together with principal members of the Akosua royal family, the wife of the deceased, and available members of the family planning committee, formally acknowledged and appreciated all donations and contributions made toward the funeral. Was saying, "I'm here, don't want. Or we are here, no. A year on Nana Tupac, Nana Kofiusu. Yeah, we are plaintiff, no. Or name Ebusuano Emun for principal members of the Akosua royal family. Afe. The wife of the deceased, Sambi, Mama Akosua Serwaa months, the wife of Kana Assembly, yes, sister Odobroni. And after Ebusuafo na aka na omaka planning committee no. Wo mo da obi biara obebo Ebusuafo beta wo chi. Wo mo da obi nyina ase. E da wan so mbebo ai na o ma enye Ebusuafo ama. Na o ka o ma bibia ye boko. No so ya ade bako a e course. Nti no se na ya mama memu kwa obebo won sa abo se ade ba chi ye ye bi adwoada ye mama no na mfie mu da ase ni ade. Enti on so mo da obi biara obeta o machi ase. Said the ICT. After what also be no say, the plaintiff affirms that the fourth defendant near one Papa She. So what I say. I was more like show mommy, Madaroma. It is after that more like mommy. The fourth defendant near Papa She to say the plaintiff affirms that the fourth defendant, Papa She has okay, within the first week of February 2026, publicly announced a second funeral event dubbed the Celebration of Life on various media outlets in honor of the late Lumba. To say Papa She February ya busimi mi year mu na ode betu dwa say omo beye bibi e de ama ye papa Lumba ya de ombe no ya tuna din say celebration of life e de ama ye papa Lumba ya no be koso Nyankopon twedi ampon ya de mo a 28th and 29th yes and what was we must say the plaintiff affirms further that this second funeral event was not part no change say who say a second funeral it was the plaintiff affirms that the plaintiff affirms further that this second funeral event, dubbed the Celebration of Life, is scheduled to take place on the 28th and 29th of March 2026 without the consent, approval, or authorization of the plaintiff as head of the family. Or say, okay, check what say. So you may announce in February some baby. Yeah, just a celebration of life for me. I 28th and 29th of March. Sabriano, now or not as a bush penny. One shall have the Ubia enye in some winshira. O ma Ubia quite so unquay. On him won't share near Bako. After ma Ubia quite so unquay. And after onion to authorize it, say, Obian conquer or no, the 2 minutes was a penny. Or authorize him, I will be a quite set. onko is a celebration of life now. And also one seven. And after yet also be honest or say the plaintiff averts that the defendant's announcement to organize another funeral event on 28th March 2026 and 29th March 2026 is without consultation with the plaintiff averts that the defendant's announcement to organize another funeral event on the 28th March 2026 and the 29th March 2026 is without consultation with Priscilla Ofori, aka Odobroni, the customary and lawfully recognized wife of the late Lumba, the children of the deceased, and in blatant disregard of Akan customary law. To say, or can will be to say, some you defendant nipa na ye mami Akosua Serwaa first defendant, ye of fire second defendant, third defendant, mami Akosua Brimpoma, and then fourth defendant in the person of Papa She. Celebration of life on Baba on the 28th, not Sabre, on the 28th and 29th of March for that Lumba. Yes, says ye mastery. Now we celebration for mami Akosua Serwaa. Or say, asem akwaya ko say, omu ye kwa no, omu consult ye mami Priscilla Ofori, and I say ye mami Odobroni. After yeah, ye mami Priscilla Ofori, and I say ye mami Odobroni our customary and lawfully recognized wife. Tell you, yes, okasa onye from so because according to Kumasi High Court ruling no, or just say ye mami Odobroni, so eye at the mother Lumba, ya warrant on the 10th of April 2010. And somebody akasa no kray, and some mami Akosua Serwaa filed for appeal. Maybe you might not like it, but mami Akosua Serwaa filed for appeal. Yeah, nyakopon ya adom so appeal ekoso na court wa when the high court, which is appeals court no. Because there be high court was small kind, me year for mami Akosua Serwaa, you are the only organized legal wife that Lumba. And na about bedimo, but so be akopon say a court can stand. Even though you might have disagree with the court there, but then I'm saying them run mind no. Now we are bounded by the law. And it's not back and young from so baby. So say that even though Obiabe want the reservations about that, and I understand. But I mean, he's saying that with regards to the law court, I mean the high court, Okumasi. So what I say, And said you can watch him say, one consult mami Odobroni. Yeah, and also the customary and lawfully recognized wife of the lady Lumba. Also, yeah, just not to madam. And yes, because court was not to and after court as I just say, I'm customary, you are no, and you know, now was your consultant, no, see your back, no, say, after one sound consult that Lumba, and after one must answer, account for my money, account for money, and with respect to celebration of life, na ya mamma person, and I say, Nippon 9% for your papa that Lumba. Me change the way about the entire is now court wise, so I see, the way I'm watching now, court will remove the background of the whole story. But I must say, I'll bring a mama man sign at your sentence and also a barco. And after what was being was said, the plaintiff averts that the defendant's actions are calculated to mislead the public and solicit donations from unsuspecting and well-meaning Ghanaians under the false impression that the disease has not yet been given a final funeral or purport to another disease. What's it? On your account will be at the say, on that dream pie and say, anyone mind. Mami Akosua Serwaa of Ayapoku, Mami Akosua Brimpoma, and then also Evangelist Papa She. One more shada, no what's not here at the something and any my dream was a debby. Or more person will per coin be so. Now, Sana, Nanak Tupac, and account, Yemen America. One person per coin be so. Now, almost Pesica, a different Ghana for almost solicit donations if free Ghana for will be a Ghana for me and come open the year. Na anya na bonus no more dwene on person pekwan bia so mo discard fi Ghana for no na sika won pa age fi Ghana for nyina no say omo no ma na e ko omo nsem say oh ye pese ye bibi di ana that Lumba ye pese ye bibi di ana ni pa wa ye nyame dia no ye pese ye bibi na ye de eye boa na fe boa ma papa that Lumba ya ye nyame dia ye ma no befitting burial just say aya om say oh ya pa ko ye sie ni ye ana say bia na ye kra no e touch ma kra nti ye na ye be ye be ye na say ye na ye be ye e ye Emra, and I say a bear come and be okay. Another part you see what you say. Or when they say a deliberate idea and almost shut down. After be a dream was there be shut down for the Mirasa. And you want to make count, not to a cat or the corner. Says any point I should have say. Yen should have make us see, but yeah. Be celebration of the another number. Say be to me at the as solicited for donations. African for say, your best solicited at just can be at the African for 20 years. I'm not doing ya can now so at the chair court said there is it here. After the final part was say The plaintiff averts that under Akan customary law, the plaintiff averts that under Akan customary law, the right and duty to organize the burial and funeral rites of a deceased family member vests exclusively in the larger family, led by the head of the family, and that any attempt by the defendant to organize another funeral constitutes a direct affront to his authority. You say, or come will be to say, Oba young mind Ghana muha. Oba ya kind memuha, a waya count for mamma a money mono. So be in your media, near Bayan na ye, obi in your media, na ye be a bibi, and ya sheni pacono, I say, very stars answer to be in your media, near baby a sheni pacono, yam, obi in your media, near baby, at the Akaini panoa. The crap says, sad to me, Nina, a funny paconi see home, and then they year when she any bibiano. Ayana, the sole prerogative of the family at the bush, a penny no. Which you become the penny be or be seven, son of cat, I not pack out of the Kodankotoka. Oh, no, there was sad to me, sir. Oh, may this year in Yamidia. May you say, you may say, a fire, you may say. Oh, there was sad to me over chess. Oh, may this year in Yamidia and saying I'm a yamano, saying you're baying your ma, saying I'm pressing me your ma. Yeah, and no, one was out to me, say, what was it? Defendant, in Nippon. Ever so one per so it's one of a celebration of life. I'm organizing another funeral. You say another funeral, but I'm also just a celebration of life. Ever so I'm organizing another celebration of life. And then my papa here. No one says, sir, then the 2 me a crown as a bush happening. Now, almost year burning tia, almost year 2 me one tia. And also, yes, and I tia account for many account for money. So, the Minako Dan course a court into the was it. No one has something in from. I was what answer I see. And to the entire and then come away dinner again. Say be na obi o one why confused because in some way by court cases in the door so far. Court cases be brain or into obi o wa ye din come away ye report e kasa o church in seminar. Only a fair idea about which of the court case near can was. And this is the story. Meaning I say not part in some way na court. As at that time they na a two same be anya mem. It was already in some okay na kakra and watch say I am the family head. Me na me kura to me no ewo akan for mamre mu. Me na me kura to me no ewo ya manye mu say asebusu apani me na mo to me say me say in the court you say na dey na so the ekodan court wa o say the court emu amane say obi antimi celebration of life bia esan say ononko a any kura that power ononko any kura that authority so the amamre ni amane city na me bisa say this year be to odwa say ko mo tu na Tupac na Akosua ene zo krata aba abonten na abepie so abe chese no kre na Akosua ene so wade atum afi wono abode che brantie na sisi akora de ye na abusu apani ko bia befu din se won hwe kire no ene na the locus ma ya na Tupac din se no ko dan court no me pese me prem wa kasa ba me di se nyame adom e de echi na mo court wa sanse me nya ba bepiem because that was the locus you know so me na me ye abusu apani ntina me go tumi se me say and I say abusu voice just get to na se na bia locus no be him kakra nti nyambo chi na yebesu amra ebe won say the mbani na isiti ne be bia kwakodo nti abusu let's cross our hands na yenhwe nyame adom chi na the court beka e fix na ekọ ya court betu no boase atina nsem so but whatever the case will be no me ogidi pa say e be ye adesua sonko pa dia ma yebesua bibi e dia fa ye mra ho yebesua bibi e dia fa ya mamre ene ya mani nti but let's not forget on say the course who are Accra no na celebration of life for that Lumba but they care about me sense be the course so Accra no na celebration of life for your mama Akosua Serwaa celebration of life no na for your mama Akosua Serwaa so what I say yes and that is it exactly marriage dash I know say even though abusu apani say abusu believe in mama but I want to mama say abusu apani to me but I know say even in the amamre mo abusu apani to me no me sure say veto power so say e be abusu apani to me no me sure say to me say ono kwa de ne pebe bibia da bi na say nyempo asem kan oba ye man Ghana Accra ye man pin na to oba yini ye to oba ye yira mahama say president ya the open hour ye dey to me your man but ono kwa want me fa ne penye bibia o There's a co-parliament, not parliament, editum. This is a co-parliament, not parliament, edin same shra, a can't so. Nti sana akwa nti na ya dura bia na me chema bia bi say kwa na woni mama am bi dey say me misua ti me mama mrensi but I know say kakra ma te ana kakra me ho no yes abuja pani wo to me bia yintimi nsan na wonye hwe no kra but then to me kwa no oh ye bibia am say oh ye in collaboration with all the same family ni akwa the principal elders of the family and as ma make abuja no boa so nti di enya abotre na yenhwe sedia nneoma ebisi akọ nyankopon ya adom a dia aka bia enso ya dia ba abesoma mansan sedia esi etie so straight away let's get into some of more comments ni bia by na yemfa no so soma mansan na afa dia aka bia yemfa show no emra ewiye sedia esi etie okay so ma me sure the for comments re bro at this point in time you can comment ni mamo ye wie ya na we call it a day san say yes yenche but asem kasa tintin so me wa yimfa kasa tintin me na mini o we na chum say hello kwabna I'm here almost missed this episode Reggie akwaba say bibia abokom afei so me so this nonsense abuche so me this nonsense can only happen in Ghana abuche so me afei we na chum say papa she is anointed oh okay Beverly Love who comment at you I don't question him for ni bibia abokọ there or say I would say very love. I would say, Josephine, also say good job. Thank you so much, Josephine. Maybe I will call your name. At the South Canton, please like and share the video. No crap, I am on like it. Now, when share be a man. Send the man YouTube recognize video. No, ye up, you know, recommend your money probably. I'm on like man. Why, Mr. Ma? I am on like it, man. Madarama. Okay. Afe, Evelyn Nama say, Oko Obo ni. Call board this year every time I say they were trying to be smart but it will fall on Tupac. I say more. We are not to say God will favor the immediate family. Victory is for them. Okay, Adams. Oh, probably be able to call them. What was no way? I was and after we can actually be say not Tupac has a spy, please. Oh, okay. Joby say me of a good morning. Joby be able to call the papa. Whatever. After Gladys from Poma say Kobna Tupac is no more bush happen. Okay, and I'm be treating whatever. Yeah, whatever. Gladys be able to call the Jemima Buachi say meetings are still going on. They just don't want to bring it to the media. Okay, I thought that's much. And then your bubble on my him. You say one bush say this year I don't call me now. This year say behind the scene kakra me sure say for public consumption. After Ajoabi say the one you crony about ya and as the one you crony this year Ajoabi was say how can Ghana court decide who someone's family head is and who not? Theater country. Ajoa asemo obeying the day. After the South Cantanka Asante Mamponi this concur say hey asemo oh my Ghana Obapa obeying the day. Malizi Masu free fine farm. Malizi good afternoon. Hello mama. Mama, na announce me that se panya me sure what your woman. After the na say call for your chrome go okay. And after precious spells one of my immediate grandma married to Adolfo spare parts from Ko. Let's me sure you call for and just ya no mampon for ma call for betimodio. But first na mampon for na hwe pa mampon for wa kwantum and adomahin crew for. Yes, but this year them say the wine crew for Marida. Mama money mampon for Marida. This year call for na hwe pa. Okay, Matia. Explore with Joe say explore with Joseph. Greetings, by grace. Explore me call here. Odobroni. Ajobi is wow. How can the judge decide for them how to call their program? I say more. Explore with Joseph, but they already did America. Explore with Joseph more. And Maurice Ajobi, I don't get it. Only in Ghana. Maurice Dash say hi. Hello, Maurice Dash. Or say I don't trust the outcome from the Semo Murray, a burning crab and a bachelor. Let's be positive here. Say Nyamabisi Akko. After Ajobi is Malizi pa. It's even boring how they do their things in Ghana. Semo Ajobi be what yes it was actually continue in China and continue if you fan 5.30 or mine will be a Ghana will work again. Said the Ghana president Mahama Ghana will work again. So I think 1 p.m. Malizi say look at how they are stressing the widow and the immediate family who have the sole right of their beloved. May God punish all the evildoers. Ajobi is amen and amen. The South Canton say thank you. Afi Ajobi is coming up. Please offer with okay, but can answer Ajobi. And Afi Morris Dash say if this president is made in court, I pity even a president who would die in future because Abuja can do same to that person. We are waiting. Okay. Afi Divine Charity say. Why haven't the family see you? Okay, medical can divine. To be sure, say be or maybe they go and be okay. Maybe not say, hey, I'm late to what's on the table. Okay, medical answer no. A job is okay, thank you, you're welcome. Now is it 10 million Ghana cedis for the formation? Very funny. That's 100 billion. Yes, I'm ketwa. And after maybe Nancy say Mitia me nan chika kre kwa na. Oh, okay. Oko fine for wadaroma. So be aboko be akwa hoboko de wadaroma. Maurice that say what will happen in Kumasi with the Chiefs is about the time. Yes, exactly. I know you're time. Yeah. But if it's not, say 10 million. Have they seen that kind of money before? I say, well, 10 million Ghana is 100 billion. Charlie, in this 100 billion. Wow. After Maurice does say, this is hurting for a supposed Japan to ask the court to deprive the family from even playing his music. Chai. I say more Maurice Dash. Also, this is wickedness. I say more Maurice Dash. After I say, Ghana court, the justice on this case should know that whatever goes around comes around. The powers you guys want to give to Tupac. I say more. After now, I say, hey, immediate family can't have access, but he can have that access. There is God who I say more. Mal is in the comment about I would say, and after now, man, so say, say. I say more. I would say, Maurice Dash say, no Abusapeni has the right in our country, and if this happens, then the rich people should know who the Abusapeni is, because someone same can happen to them after their death. This president, okay. See, I should bring in Kabia and a betray. Okay. And after Mel is say that advise your grandpa. Okay, because say. 70 years not Tupac so they was into na preocupa mas mama I say mama mate madama after Maurice that say this is pure dictatorship in the name of Japan. We are watching. But the court says Mami Akosua is a wife, so why should not Tupac prevent her from having access to celebrate his husband? And so I said also one can't change because the year Japan as at that time. So what I say on a quote to me in the end of my baby some more message is not Dawson, but men try some kind of be out there. Maurice that say whatever the outcome may be, the immediate family should drag this to the Supreme Court, because we, the citizens, can't allow this precedent should be set. Okay, unless say only one a new question Ghana for time my president you trust with tour. It's as you trust with tour no more. A behaging. Okay, Matthias say. This is dangerous for all families. Okay. After it was be my Alice Setre or say Alice say Nana Kofi who just want to continue okay and deal with establish with okay so people are not personal ball, so I would say madam I would say Alice na be about call there. Okay, they don't know who is stone na Nana person of course we to aso no di juma di a odi. Yeah, the way you be out to us, Yentinama, Wakobanes, and Mattia Alice, what I remember. After when be in the comment about, sorry, Alice Setre, no, Maurice does that say, musicians, remember if this president is set, your Penny will do same to you. The future is pregnant. The future, indeed pregnant. And so, Benny, a Brennan Cabia. And a betray and so after Maurice does I pray the judge will do the needful. This has never been seen in the history of Ghana. Not Tupac will go in our future history. I have some more Matthias say. Okay, after Regina Chum say Abusapeni is because of the family. They negotiate, then the Abusapeni execute not exactly they make say. I mean, they are saying here, but then the Abusapeni there was no. Yeah, bibia as I say and I see. But Obende, this what has come out into or the young shame near his name ABC Akko. Now when be in the comments about Madu fine fan Maurice Dash BMC. Can the court deprive the executive director of DO not to even play his music? I ask more Brennan Kabia and a betcha. The African Tangans was your comment section was I'm was I see the back contact with you holiday mark contact. TMC need you know what I know the church or comment section. I say matching so it's not here. And did you know about church and some of us comment section? After Maurice Dash BMC the word immediate family is in the dictionary, so you are right to use that word. And of I don't for me. After videos, I'm for football friends or there be because immediate family no one because Omabush and saying it here. No problem, no two ways about that. But me immediate person, crack down with the about I'm better as and I see. The Abana mechanic said this here. So, and it's a moment, Mother Roma. Why? But you for Nina and come the intimate tumpon. Why BM, the South African asses Malisi Assem, Mama Yasan Kitua. After when BM, Maurice that say, also share. Yep, this is the court days today. Now, the court is tomorrow, God willing, Wadaroma. After when BM, Maurice that the immediate family should push this to the Supreme Court if it goes against them, because we should not allow this president to be set in our country. Okay, Matthias here, Maurice said, Yep, this is Madika, not today, Wadaroma, bro. Afi when be the comment about the kind of some free way. At the Safo Kantanka as Santi Mamponi, but also say, or say, it's obviously meaning there, Grania. Or say, so look for no so ba. So look for no so baby. Okay, now say, oh, can't, you know. Apparently, you don't remember your course of commerce. Okay, Maurice Last BM say the court did not give him the court did not give him that powers, but because the immediate family couldn't afford the said money, in fact, the court told him he has no such powers to do exactly, not correct. But once really lady can buy ya, court here say, oh, I was saying no money uncle she no one task and come no money and come around the January more 15 January no. Okay, I said no crap Japan no money no uncle she no muka come one son or maba. Then actually bar said Japan so a boka. Yes, I agree with you. I know correct. Yeah, Japan yes or boka. So boka the end more compensating with that 2 million Ghana cedis no. Within bears 2 hours no. Because waboka also nya sika back. Yes, I dey wait me kwa energy. Yes, nti court wan kase or no call to wait me chance no aye. Okay. But I know say Kumasi the end na court yes say that be. Ma me go say waka say yen for injunction to yen for injunction to not pass so ntimi konkoye ya and this are because of your busia on the debusia na in a can customs and culture no or to me say what me na this year yenti busia penny betimi akoye yeah but I know say na crown I got you say we need no kwani say to me to na busia fo ina konkohia first really na buy answer na anyoma ba say no okay I forget to say so what's go mo me pacho so what's go mo pacho pa me pacho obe oni me konto kai say also won hwe me because I think we'll be a mechanic on the menu. Make sure my house on the menu. This is also on the Oba ya on tag I will be tag when Oba ya one for BM so boko dey senior man say be boko dey. Yen to us way. Okay, when be at the South African please like the video why it's almost 2 hours no crap. You did say and so what are we complaining even him who has never helped in his life cries enjoying from him. Oh yeah, some more. Okay. And after the South African say someone's hard you too. The South African say, or say, why should the court even accept this thing? Okay, so and the Injünction, I don't much na court sans and so qua. You be seeing the film pa. And now Morris does say he's even lying to the court. I say more. The South African now to back there. Okay. Serwaa&Lumba Busiana Sem. Okay. Morris does BMC in our constitution. No, Japan has the right to demand from the court such a ridiculous demands. I say more. A bread and cabia and a better. So we'll learn a lot. After Morris does say by grace, please, if you read the Accra High Court ruling of that payment of money, they just stated categorically that no single Busiana has solely such powers. We are watching. No correct. So you can cast so unkushia. First rule, like I said, Busiana unkushia. No mean uncle Ben Kuno Samra. That is January. I said, check about say, oh, a car bar banner there, 20 billion and yeah. So I agree with you. I saw so much meaning bars out there. Over 80 me now call. Maybe I will call you so much will go more. After 1 p.m. March that BMC women whose husbands have been members around. Madam, make a wise decision before it is too late. Hey, this is my answer. Sorry, way so power. This is a joy. Says yeah, no. Money couldn't grab you. Obos munya bote abusuya asem na ba ye na nu sa o mesrem munya bote na asem na ba enye nu ho sa why ti mesrem obi anya bote madaroma obi anya bote afi when be in the comment aba who again Maurice does say the law does not say an Busiana has the sole right to do everything without consultation of the immediate family should. Okay, that's true. That's very true. Maurice does say Kama has the house address of everyone. Afi Edna August say this Nanakufu should go and rest His organ's time is over. Oh, okay, Mati, seven Busiana, I will tell you. After 1 p.m. March does say I read the Akan law and no Busiana has that right alone. There's a pathetic lie. Okay, Mati, I didn't want to Boba Mama sign. March does say by grace, please read our law and say to your viewers, especially the account law, Mati between now one and March dash whatever. After March does say, what kind of nonsense is this? Abuche Mary and Queen Charlotte say, watching you from Canada, Edmonton, greetings, Governor. Ghana system is unfair. Queen Charlotte, be able to Yasemo, a Brennan Kabia, and a Betche. And after Kofi or Ashtown, no offer, maybe I will call here. And now also been a car. Now over Chenica on Peke Bia, I offer the Mercedes sports car. The more German of a Kofi Monchene car. Car the Babacher on Peka a waffle car the banner. They also make sure the car the banner. They offer require Mercedes sports car. So a German will win a car free and the car is when you have problem. I can't tell you, oh, German now between watching over Kofi or compensation. Ashtown Abrantia. Yes, Ashton, and I will be free. And also what's new today? What's new is saying I'm here much now on Meko Court. So I'm not much on Meko Court with respect to this issue. After Morris starts that say this case should reach the Supreme Court if the judge says otherwise, because what Anako is seeking for is okay, I say more Marty. And I suppose by I was how are you, Mr. Legal husband? Was or 30 minutes me for me. When your pass on somewhere senior man. And now for Kofi Ashton say I took one of my cars for inspection checkup till now. Oh, okay. So Adam say, can I say another say? I see. I was say by Grace TV viewers, you'll be in Chobi. I answer more of so most so slim with our comment section. You have did the comment by them so so most see, you know, I like to worry. I know, bro. I know, pa. I said, y'all don't come out of and I'm always said that say, if your council will sit and allow and you're going to have such powers, then I pity you because try. I answer more, so most. I answer more. You have the marriage that just say. And some of the idiot trip I heard ABC Akko. After you have this, it's almost don't start those things here. We are serious. Oh, I would say, okay, what you know? So, and Kofi Ashton say, I'm a disappointed of my family. I have 100% power, sir. And I say, of our what we see, Obi can, until the Obi can. I say, what do pay be an answer? Mentiasis, and I person can. Okay, Mati. And some also come to try FD. Someone say FD, what have I done? You guys take I would say someone say FD mama, really I would say Madaroma, that be and then because you say ya baby aba do no from some you shall say ekoba ya ya baby aba do say yankopon ya do much na Accra High Court ebe sign attendance so yes e je yankopon hu ya bo no de yankwache ya yambo na Accra High Court ebe attendance so na Injunction once and somewhere back some time back. Injunction against celebration of life in honor of your papa that Lumba. Court best brands and umbim. Na washe amiho baby and society at the bottom number for. However, there's maybe court can say or when you more for your mamre, I mean ya can for your mamre any your money now. Now when you want to fire mamre any your money now who we are afe and na ya can be a better was me sure say be a by now be a mamre money no. Amuguswa a consulting penny food no many money. It's finya watch na kono. Interesting times ahead. Yeah, the Ebeko should be a what the Accra High Court on by Grace TV, the Munchimba, Abesuma man sign, na BPR. And so I boko. Let's cross fingers. Na Momedia, some may say, me quality art has gotten to a point. Some my bread, my dear child, my bread. 9 months ni. Your dear child, but many are not at Twitcha and money we are. Let it be a Twitcha, not free. Now, someone's no why you with Mr. Madaroma, but say, why, Mr. Madaroma, why, with the me cram to jum, mean some you with the cram to jum, who cram about cra, Mama, Yabdi, and it's almost Serwaa Madaroma, why, with the Ajubro, Porto, Madama, but that's yes, in Tinyaku Payad watch now. Interesting times ahead. As you are a reporter, already, Namiad much and between Commonadi, but tough on beer, or the more money, any much more about me. I was young, but I see. So Jibre na ohwe me mom kai say arabosem bi o ye abusua the kind many atata ni so ya se mo rahu abusua rahu o ga de hwede das no just mama o ga de hwede das no mama rahu papa ya rahosem na me fa kwenya na me boss Mr. Opoku Chelsea na no Monday yo sabi mention in fi na so kwabna asem o kan ye me ya to makoma so ntino masane 2000 Ghana cedis amount se fama abrantie no a say ya o kidney issue stage 5 kidney issue na just dialysis kan obetim ya kwa anye hwedi nyame be and insurance kenya be din say nyankopon atom twedi ampon ho mo na dum nti abrantie ne nsa aka ya na nia so abusu ne nyina ne sa abrantie a no ho fodi twagwe e fe na aleso full sabi nyame ado wakusuko bi ya wahye na dwuma sika krakra and onokwa de on pese obane na mabrabo no madi agobone bi emwa na nsem fate enti ntempa na ope oba otenase do mu nya kabom so mbobobra no matimi atumpon na nkakra bisua branti a sharp abase ya one ne hokanya kabom motumpon wa oware ye 6 months na abeto dwa se or kidney issues obi when your kidney issues be I was stage 5 we that any more yaw the kidney issue ya onya no na was do stage 5 I'm the kidney disorder ebi ama branch sisi ya ontimi nkomma adwuma o bibia o ntimi nye da bia so hye dem a kyese eje se breadru na otwe bia na akọ share dialysis na ze o ma twiti ne kakra na o de abasa kyese eni nyan mu oya na ro sem ne se adokotafo mpanyimfo ne woni ni kyerɛ sɛ sika mbotimi anya de asa abrantie yade no treatment no eje se 30,000 Ghana cedis ai that be understand ke da form so eje se $30,000 sika mbenya mbotimi de asa abrantie yade I just said $30,000. Because $30,000. That is, me checking over 3.3 billion, go by 3.4 billion. See, down 3.3 billion, go 3.4 billion. A branch is offering us a say more thing. Minimum power, branch and who joke on pen, no one some pekasa. Ya, over brand a cracker. And I share, ya dear, ya, it didn't penny about the and who yams there be with your mere fatons na bo hon dero asiri bi nya me aya adoma kan akoma sabi e be $30,000 na esi akese ye din pa na nipa ba ko fon sanso nya me ni kata tika kra bi e betimi bia busua misere o de nka de ba ma me se ko na digital credit digital data na me mfa ma me fa send the brand na bia o de otimi kwa record ala sisi ayepe nya me adom na kra bia nya me aya adom na abo ano na aso o timi de akosa na ho ya nti brand ni din e de Alex for minimum pa he's a mate from high school SHS. I know him very well. Cool guy, I says, yeah, just say, a damn cool peer videos. Them there be Radia Day, Papa used to who your mobile. Friend Alex Fury, a former house prefect at Anglican, Supercars. Just a young guy, or born home day, or therefore, a near basa, a sunya me, a yena from Dibia. And at the ABC. Me can't my emotional because on say, Uni mobia undin ho adanse kwa na akoye sa wo fiki but we dey minim no enim se dey ositi ti ma me be pie so se sei na asie no ama support him ndi abusua ma de shida am de to money so wo hwe by Grace TV Sabre na nyame adom e bia ho de kakra ho na se kakra bia betimi bia na o de nka ma me se ko bia fato data na me inform me fa send your branch number man what slim mother the day the Alex of the Boba money number. But you can $30,000 in the Abia Esrodo, a born was solo. In the Abia Ed then say a bit many says cano, a bit power with many says can, no problem. But yen kakra bitumen, Miss aside $30,000 now, and on a year for treatment no. What him say? Now what should be our core dialysis here? 1,200 Ghana cedis, 12 million. And now, bro, I know some people now. When also making a job, make us saying a job be, as of make us saying a mania. Then what should be our core dialysis here? 12 million. See, Canada, and 8,002. Imagine say week, you know, every a month, no, or record the week, we work 4 times, 4 to 48. That's almost 5,000 Ghana. 50 million Ghana. I was here. If I don't send a year, you must me in your 50 million. We need a bear man. A fasa how. Madakuranya nido. Mado ya nuni nechu. I don't rush a while better no. Daddy may sani hunko. I finish in that sober room soon. None in fair for you, that sunny walk or two. I rather say, well, better no. Daddy may sani hunko. Madakuranya nido. Mawado ya nuni nechu. I don't raise a while better no. Daddy may sani hunko. I finish in that sober room soon. None in fair for you, that sunny walk or two. Unless in your maze, I better no. Daddy may sani hunko. Erade, otiase. Onyamia, otiase. Bema man say, you know who say. Uyo onyamia, otiase. Ampara, otiase. Onyamia otiase bema manse nyina hunu se uyo onyamia otiase eka obi nko na mesesade sa abusia abata na sem ye me ya do mesrem mekuta mesem koto abusia mesrem mekuto jogu fo madaroma wo ya mbeka wakoma aka bia obetumi bia madaroma abusia mekuto jogu fo mo fa no branch ma me wate nim se nyanya me den mze nyame na be hye ne mo nyam ti misro so nyame ado no ka wakoma na wakaka bi apese de bo abranti ya the bo mo number na 0 okay of person send 2600 oh okay my chance send man number na opa fa man number direct so no how dia and person to dia mama na me send dia mama na for we ma make sure say me for conference call na wada wase na bibisa but open so to send am number direct any problem ni na si wono ma number na etwago no why Tupac send man number direct so send you na all mama so at my friends so be send in scanty aya on check ni enda wase wada roma why pacho wada roma over Mr. Abusia asem na ye me ya young guy when you na be at 30 years when was there be o sharp about us there be yes oba ye be ma so boafo ti nyame adom na kakaka o sharp about ya ene enya afi na wo be nante abrabo emu no owura no ofa na broken heart e ma yi breaking heart na ma yi jini sikadi ni ade nti wo be ware na one ne ba akwatena se just we just as one make cap me ho akuti ase ire na musa ye ko be ya se nyame na be hwe so we make carry apem ho akuti an so be ne de asem ko into se sɛ nyame o ware ntem boa onya fe na aso ababa bi beti wakoma baba bi begidi usika kwa di ama akoye nsem bebre do bi ahodi ne nyanso yakwantu nti nyame do o ware ya 6 months pepe e na hwa asem wasi usi amesrem why of kofi nti mesro oba send am director na wadaroma na nka ne ye man hu na ye na wasisi akwanya me hwa akoma panel current ne da wasi nyame hwa why nti no number no aka butimi send ne bia number no ye 0549 432 276 0549 432 276 0549 432 276 0549 432 276 Edino eye Alex Ofori Edino eye Alex Ofori ndi abusu ya di nyambe ka wakoma bia me se nyame so be kai ba kuna for the Bible everybody say the kakra na aka no wan hwe bibia o de ko ba for de na twosem se o de ko ba for de ade a tia na kuruwa ye mebuso akara bia wetim de abo abranti bia nyame be ma wo so kuruwa be ye mebuso David ni Jonathan papa ye David wa obo ya ye David enku no afi David na o say until Jonathan obi Jonathan fi metimi aye na ya na metimi abo nyame be kekai wo nyame be kai na fe okay nyame be kai na so we shra na why also akoma so ade ama so nyame be kai pass o kan fi boset nim say be ntia busia ofakofi na wo me number de me boye ye number to power with me asend ya man direct normal number is 0549 432 276 and then yeah Alex give me a number no 0549 432 276 yes Edini Alex Ofori and aside that we have all the true bank account details and the bank account details no and also na etwagu our screens no account number here 209 026 117 209 026 117 and it says this will be account number 209 026 147 3117 the account number Fidelity Bank account number and that to draw and as there and one Samsung okay open my number okay remember number me okay phone number I remember my number the month see as well already my number is 0257 754 168 my number is 0257 754 168 or the main pinning my number no comment section now and so on Akosua baby obenya ni di abusia mesremo wadaroma menim se nyame na bedoma boae nyame na beboa na wakaye na wama papa bia be ya ma yenu abeme nyame remfida da bi nyame remfida mati of am twa comment section mama why wadaroma bro wadaroma me twa comment section mama why yenu abeme se boa na se nyame ado no wonya nkwa na wahu nyame nti wote ase a se nyame nti obetna ase onwu so nyame be kaye ne ya boa yina ewe Eradi Yesu Kristo di muti amen abusia enti yemwai of a number na mapini or comment section no that's my grace TV number and na mapini our comment section your friend Alex Ofori ti nyame TV bia be represent sisi am person be ha man ka represent be chance no chance mo kakra wi ama ya ate ase but ye mu nyame mpae bibia enye nyame eden afa abusua me tonfio ye abusua fo me tonfio abusua ma ofie da so yes me tonfie efie ewo atwema yabe efie ewo atwema yabe ofanya ma me point ka me point na ko afrem wadama o se me wo life here efie ewo atwema yabe 10 minutes drive from Sofolai. Yes, ewo atwema yabe 10 minutes drive from Sofolai. Na a 4-bedroom house. 4 bedrooms no, ba akoye master bedroom. Master bedroom ekra no ekra no I mean dining hall kakaka kama afi ekra hall kakaka kama. And you 3 rooms na kana no so a single room self-contained. Afi your kitchen kama pa with your garage kama pa with your afi just your rooms to be a obetimi edb kwa ye obetimi dey office aba work from home obetimi dey study mama nkwa na nkwa obetimi esua be ho open so obetimi a convert na wo dey aye one casa room a say be say wo person nya more rooms and say the open one obetimi a convert na the so aye rooms and your ambience so kwan san say it is at your very own discretion and abetimi say the opposite way wade if you need come up I watch my abe 10 minutes drive from Sofolai yeah just say if Sofolai call my 10 minutes per oti one mo ohun aye bu akwa ho tan so won kwa da so sometimes any ade na de kunu kwa say Samahat bi ofi ore aha say ura fie no ahụ Samahat na esi won no ti ho no ura fie no gate no ura fie wa o left Samahat na won ti ufa wa na akọ Samahat na stairs no my stairs na de bi sa kama no afro na akọ tena so na ne make us say we are say wa bre wa kasa tente kama kasa bre na akọ tena so then me hwekom na me zepe me drink kakaka na was zepe so ho na me bia ye kama ma feel born da form papa and ho ye new site ni afre na okoji okotena ho na choka baby o wa to kwa ontimi fa adwene ko da bia ntokwa e na hweku sha amen na mrantie suloku na we body so na bi aho ntesa ho ye new site ho dwopa enti how of all the me actually the be 20 minutes time of abetimi afre why 20 minutes time because me am me quite see am. So up am feel off na abetimi afre. Why? Me feel off na abetimi afre. Won't say me be na no afre. Wada ma ofa. Ntina me ti baby. Wada me bi. So, enti no enya fe na akotena baby na obi be ye dede na mrantie na da bi. Adwo. What ti baby a hodwo a otimi fa adwen. What ti baby a hodwo otimi fa adwen ma otum. Eye 10 minutes drive from Sofolai. Atwema yabe. Oh, say this here. Enti me Serwaa fa number no be obo number na masisi a na from me feel way na me see me ko do o me yes am yameto me do o say me camera man ko bro am catch camera man say camera man my friend throw the camera away go do so about camera as what be try me am say camera man me share film no this is the house if you need and am catch camera man my friend throw the camera away me am to fie no me yes am yam ko to fie no na busuya me to me bottom say and am say ko sequence any safwa keys so am say kai and we go say yawa it's what the camera do when say baby to fie say me to enye yi so and afei a kire me say me try say me to fie no to me ba money check me ba money so busuya the om na nso ani am say hey asemo yawa kom na wusu mani mo yagu aso badwam and am kai say mo bank account dey safo because check bank account nso a zike wo me ntimi ku anto gate yi fa ha kakrai ye bie da we am say no me pa be ba ti me ntwe mbase na me say da de ma bo ho da ro na by Grace TV ahwefo ye ni ayato ti from number no ye 0249 if you number no so if you not if you know our number if you run 0249 165994 0249 165994 0249 165994 0249 165994 0249 0249 165994. We say on your number, you feel number, no, so person to inquire for one kasa 0249 165994. Now you say, what's assassin so to? Sa area also be nya assassin or this afonya asem keto. Ti nyame aduwe ni pon nya assassin no. E na wasi fie na wie, ma me bie fie ni mu yebusua. Monto mami o. Bi ton fio. By Grace TV way, me ton fio, busia, me ton fie. Nice house. Course we call us no say one yesterday na one turn ntem obi to dia me mom subo. Ajo bi last to me frɛ o mo ana last to jom na was over frɛ. What me frɛ wada roma. Efie what they share, just look at the environment. And I'm saying, what's our sense of tontino? I don't know the ocean video now. You call one, you call talk one. My dick, you call talk one. Or my videos, no, my short form kakrebi. Now me the above small man sign. Said there is it here. The message my dick, I put you all come videos from school. It come back 2 weeks ago. Obon say my cut off you on my trafion na. Eddie chairman sign. My video no make can't see any bear 1 minute kakrebi. Na masa be Bobby one me who said you sit here. Why come up? So, enti I want new site intino. Obi a wato fie obi a na se wasa sense to nti obi esi fie bi o new site bi o abekọ na che se won wura ne ade na konfo kwa de wa na mrantie bi twetwe nyoma boni yi bi ne ade na se bibi ko eto na ho da bi eho ente sa ho because obi ato asas na no wasi fie ho wo wasa sense to nti no eho abie de oni honom de ti me Serwaa ema bibia atutu me kasa abria na frɛ efie wura na ne nkasa ebon da form na obetimi no aka na bibia e kama na fie no aba ba yo dia na make we nsure enye se bia efie no ebia bibi to chima won ti no ton da bi na mom ni pa ko na fie ne dia adwuma na ko dia chi ma me ne abusuafo ina so ka no wa chi ya bibia nchese na ne china yi o san bitwe ani abakumase wo se kwabna me dia na nka me ton na so me dwen Ghana fon we bi obi nso wo ba bi sesi adwuma de na bakumase obo na bra okumase obenya na nka wo fie bi wo betimi atenam ezi a rent wuntimi ntua chemba ho yi masa wuntimi ntua single self contained wuntimi ntua enti enya na won tubo rem na won tofie we preko na ema ye wo di afebo so enti mama se wa dwen Ghana fon obi na dwen Ghana fon se da bi ebe na Ghana ni bi na bakumase na oba e kwa won hu ba bia won fa tie ne ma na me nton fie kwa na obi kra nso enye na won ha no dan say efi ni besi wo na bi obi nso te wo bre opedan okumase opefie okumase no atem ti na ma na koba nsa no for the very last time number no fie no ewura no number no from when 0249 165994 0249 165994 0249 165994 0249 165994 so what I say na bibia ye kama enti nyansan ko just afunya ko to akwa isi ade I say e bibia amfa na mekoma celebrate so ha se bi o never say never there but then when you say on she dan hia fie ni sa e bi so obi because obi da bia ye chede sa mafo buja so o mu pefie ato abusunya ti mi srewo mo da bia mo fre komna na fie no I want them to say na mba na bia to dwa no so fa na from what na mba je o first no akasa na me se me ya wan je fie meto be kodu won se ta da no na abusunya na ma hode soma kwantuo pa I'm telling you come here nya se me ba ha nka afi na me bon de real that na nka me to fi nka me house owner me come do am ka check am come on throw the camera away come on me kan o hwe me say masa come on I'm not joking throw the camera away cameraman throw the camera away me kan o hwe me always be there go to me say me je camera na kwa dia hwefo ma dis afunya asem ketua be say me am ko je camera dia hwefo because be say me am to feel then I'm J come and free them me so ko de koy or de ko echi be or de ko echi me say na me tu moto no me so fa me so ye nya de bia me to fie no so pa already say na me ba to fie na de bibia to atwa me ko tu me boto mo e de safo quest any safwa de safwa da de safwa yi say safwa kwa da de metallic yi quest ne safwa na me say kai edugwa say ya ba yeah we be Ibrahim fani ko kama sem say na was me say damn ho ba no problem no mobile money miss DS tips yes am to me say me mobile money on phone so no problem offer train me mobile money on phone so me check me to fee me ka say fee me to asan me fee ako sabi kwa abri ni this year ma ko do atwuma man mu na me ko to fee afa me check mobile money is what papa is there be ko ba say the mobile money there am say cement here the year for more ka kra me che ni mai cement bag be me ensa ko intimi nto I just come so say na aka ni say money na ho yen sense we na we say okay offer no problem ma me check bank account if you meto me say many base no meto me twa mata re kwa say me yi me say me botom safane ko say gun botom me na agu say me to fie na nsa na mako eroro me pa bonya say me to fie no na me ko be ni afa ye ko check account yi mu nso a abusia em say gate no say gate no ye bie from be keto na ye bie wo no eno kwa na entimi nto na mpese etimi atofie no enti na se ebasa na enye yi kra enti na ma ko basa Yeah, me say no problem. Say minti over go for team you am check any akasa wadama. Say minti to there no problem. Be wa bon the rule. Na by Grace TV ahwefo. They ahoden wo ho. Na me ya dem a watama me. Na de be ma wo wa pa ne say if you we beto na make say by Grace TV be bon the rule and obi toy. They be by Grace family and answer by Grace TV. And then nam so anyame adom ya to. Na me so china bi mi gina bi aka say ye both we dey kwa obi toy. If you no da makoma so. Say nye obi am hu ni pa na say Bonizini koto na so nye by Grace TV ni na be ya me ya panti. Me so obi so ya phone number na from sisi ya number no na somebody can check you na 0249165994 0249165994 ewa atwemayabe abusuya ewa atwemayabe no tidi na we ka say we chi dem yo eni achi o eye kumase ya o says you o greater kumase no on say me ye kwabri aka greater kumase no ti kwabri east ne west ni na so say kwabri west no mo funa fija kwabri south na kwabri east ti firma ehwa era ekofama mponten so that say ekofa nkunku awdo aka edibra aboaso era miami chrome ankase himan hu nyina aze eka greater kumase no kodie so what you say hu nyina aka greater kumase no ho ebe fa bu akwa atwema yabe oni ade yake na aka greater kumase no kumase na kwa kudu wonu na wade aduma kase no ne duma na afo hu nyina aka greater kumase no bosom twi area wono fa no be break aka greater kumase no afei me kasa me brain konkon be brazil aka greater kumase no so it would to 10 minutes drive from Sofolayo. If I guess I make us atwema yabe why because say bia is over car be 10 ansa no do there bi would so for like quite 10 minutes 10 minutes drive enti anya asem to ka busia mo ma yen to fie mam na bia anya ka isa for nya asem to make kan be to bi botom no be to mo ana keys ne quest na ba and I'm say what e bia ni ngwa se na ebe ye na me koda ahemfa ni ye the way there one wuni e dia na fo some amfo na mo wa hemfa ma ni mo ya ma ni mo gu ase wo me dwe wo me tiase obi a me sim ba be to fie Miss Dear Steps, yes, I'm going to say, Obi am about to feel me check me bottom one. Quench, you the sample, quench, and this farms ye, and then I force him for more info. And I'm with this young man and we are guassi. And I'm a kind no mobile money or metal. Me check it one money swap. The old woman you say, intimate crying yet there be intimate. Last one I'm here say, okay, no problem, bank account, some more bank, to make a carry. The game the gates na ye bie fan kaka na kwa hono entimi nya hu adwuma ho am just am say enye hwe to obuase o empriu ho eya to obuase o na from ande hu padia onya say ya o zum gina wa na fe tu me sa kom kama wan hwe me sa na me padia anyam so na mam ja so to obuase o empriu ho eya to obuase o na from ande hu padia onya me pa beba debut to wasio empriu ho eya to wasi na me to nyom sa fa say masa na to nyum we wa masa nya hwe be ye wate na masa nya hwe no problem e be say bibia ye kura wi da so enti busu am to ma me wa mi srem be da say yen to aso yen call the next advert so atwemaya be 10 minutes drive from Sofo line 10 minutes drive from Sofo line Kumasi and who was 7 am the two busu recharge as if anya sabuto American is anwa recharge your automobiles asim we the seven masma mabeke Kumasi amontin so busu me say last we wo Kumasi and na ye adwuma bi wa abonten kakra enti na sabio adana na vie nhyɛ da mafi wɔ ne ye adwuma wa outside ana me hu papa bi a wapo adwuma wo Kumasi monten so na abo 8 ebo 8 obegina akayetia papa ni gina ha wonya ka na aba ho mache 5 na me gina obi 8 wo gina abo 10 me twene me no da gina ebo 12 ho mache no gina abo 1 no gina abo 2 no gina 3 no gina 4 no gina 5 ebo 5 na mu se ka bia besi wo wonya ka wo fra ko papa ni yesi okodu fie traffic de okodu fie na aba ho amapa 7 odu fie ne bag ne to wa 7 abo adwuma time so ntimi na was okodwa na obo no sa ba adwuma odwa wi a o time ne bag abo adwuma na abo 8 traffic says obodo adwuma na abo 10:30 as a 10 obodo adwuma na adwuma say my friend I cannot work with you I'll sack you then they go and I sack up on French room. There's a 1 year ni. And no, because Shiano. I was from Quanta. Last week, because Shiano about my junction. Last 2 weeks, because Shiano soccer by your baby. And a last man, because our casting industrial area. Brown version of Motum also up because of so when you can't do few things the unity. And I will charge you to one chance was a Ghana for some year me ya. Na sabi you, Yamia the year charge the your cars I would be. Now the air by say, Ghana ni be a wushy piano. Ye share a juma or any scar care bones and one. Ka be a crowd be a brow charge as way. Ye be pearl so no card ya mount, now the abobra. Na bibia ye di amount. Tikop na bon de roka chama san say. Ka bi e kura obi an obi amra. Na ombeje na oma pe so no ka e di amount. Na watimi di abobran. Sisi ya de busua e bia wo pe ka to but sike kura no su a enye hwe mane ha ko recharge to bus. Ombeje na ka bia se fata no. Omo di amount na watimi di abobra. E bi nso a na wo ka na kura no why you so che. Why you ka ya chop se oton. Enso nya tofo e mane ha. E no ase ka na watam na ko package recharge ko ya na brum mo prum agu so recharge. But aba wonyina mo ntona fam sika wame na de Georges we na ko ombe ton tifia na force ya ton kan rate ba na be sika e recharge automobiles e na afei e bia wa control o pese o de car bre maame o maame o ga na papa se bia na ho ba yin ha kaka san se bra ye bring na se bia yes on fo be san o so kan ho ti wo bring na wa hwa wo fo be o ti ase e bia pese o de car bre awo na wo de bob bra o ga na na sa wo e bia o kwa so ya na de ne kwa akosi no awo ko ba bia na ne wa pedra not ne ko kama e bia unia bi o maami bi o sewa bi o dofu bi na person de car brain organ ha e money how just call recharge example just call recharge automobiles offer recharge ya onwa beboa na omba asese no mato car if akontum e de abagan ha ma they be do Ghana ha oh forget about it just forget about it I say forget about it e be do Ghana ha to muda poto onwa wo agent akesifo onwa wo agent akesifo mpanifo ho a omo bebo no mayi kan dia ma ya o how bia ni achi amane bia ni achi umpo ye na pe e recharge automobiles e recharge automobiles see no recharge na the car na e be charge wa ma wa be feel good e recharge automobiles kuma se ya omo askwa the arc ahia no mo and kan Accra so no watch motor overhead na se e recharge automobiles e recharge automobiles if omo number na from mo e be bia anko informa se bia ebi nso ana wo ya ban adwuma ani wo ye teacher ni wo ye post ni wo ye nurse ni wo ye soldier ni mesro ma bibia ha wate eno anso no recharge for nya nkita ho na cho nse opeka say no anso do place pa ko na wo no aye nhye ye ma ka ni bi na de kakra to ase na watu ya na kakra on bi na pe e recharge automobiles omo number ni 0243 633 669 0243 633 669 and after number back account so and that's my 0534 815 871 0534 815 871 recharge automobiles omo kuma se askwa haya the arc and I'm crying so achimota Accra achimota overhead na city kwai na go je kan bi na bibia nkoi emfama asujwi ekwan so now Battle Grace Financial Services ni na say busunya ye ka say Battle Grace Financial Services Ghana for amwo America ne Canada muntie mi ye madaro mebu Ghana for amwo America ne Canada sabi adluma ne bon nyam o si ye nya ya nke be san be di efufu na mo mbota ibc ye ne suntra sikasem akwantu fe mamu nso eye sikasem bra ye bre wa akwantu mi na busunya bisra meka eye sikantia o na ye bre wa akwantu na ye bre hwe sikai ni ade sika ye bre prehwehwe ni ade nyina ye busua se be ya dachi be ko hihima ye ho nchiti yenti anase dachi be ko ya ho mudie pension ye ho nchiti yenti na recharge ye Battle Grace tanse kwa na wusu Ghana for bebre wa America ne Canada omo bre omo nya insurance ya se mo kasa tintin omo nya insurance company papa bi inform ho matam ti abre bia na se eya na sikasema ibio ho afi o kwa mudie mo na sikasema ye basa na ho kire no ne ade ti ya recharge the intermediary financial group ya yani akwadalo usikasem tutuye mu ti ya hwe Ghana ni bia wo America na Canada because say ya woni America na Canada bia ne mo kura ho nkrata usie sika o Japan ya oba bia obedi Ghana na woni ho no bia mu a o mo hwe bra wo bo ani sika ba wonsem na wo mo insurance company ye papa e de na bata ho na china bi kwa ohihia mu a oho anchew china bi kwa ohihia mu a se bi ohaw ne amane bia enso ama oso eno ntina Better Grace Financial Service aba omo service na omo fa ne bi life insurance after college funding after long-term care enso service ne bi omo offer after legacy strategies after retirement strategies and after business strategies so your service ne bi a offer and after disability insurance nina service recharge Better Grace Financial Services offer Edema Ghana for now no almost sika na akọ gym na ko ba se ohia sika don't worry on betam sika boom the amount say we no almost sika on betam sika boom the amount sika boom on betam the amount tax free to bia na so on pe we na dia na pe and abira no almost sika na so na da sumina so misre meka how ya mania bi ba na no nti untimi nye adwuma biemu a don't worry don't worry Mati offer me ho pa hey offer Mati ono omu sie sika ekwa ahomgye mu na fe ko ba se ohia sika mudi ya so betam sika bum di amount ena ono omu sie sika na so bia mesre meka oha ne amanye bi ba na no ntimi nya adwuma biemu a oh just don't worry ya me manem parry anyway but how ne amanye ba na ntimi nya adwuma biemu a ombehwe akopem se ubeye nyame dia obeda obonkun so twekwa chichichi wo nyame din no ena afi o man so don't worry ombehwe o man akopem so mewie su apon quality bi na bibia e kama nyama ompewe na dia na ape recharge automobiles recharge automobiles omo na ba abedum Ghana omo na ba abesum Ghana na bibia enso so ye dem sero sorry Better Grace Financial Services Better Grace Financial Services omo number no 813 408 1084 813-408-1084 813-408-1084 Better Grace Financial Service. You can say Better Grace Financial Service. No, what James say. Better Grace Financial Service. What you say? Financial freedom for everyone. Financial freedom for everyone. Financial freedom for everyone. And no, Better Grace Financial Services. Last but not the least, OB Trading Enterprise. Last but not the least, OB Trading Enterprise. Kumasi South Interest Junction. Kumasi South Interest Junction. And OB Trading Enterprise. What me say? But the OB Trading perfume boom ho kwa Asante Mampo. And it's Safu Chrome, Josephine Chrome. But na Asante Mampo station ho. Now obi afreme from Edra. No obi afreme from Bobbin. Obi afreme from Kasey. Obi afreme from Atebubu, Amanten, Abamba. Say kwabena ade we area am say ade bone be o say Mateo perfume no. Ewo Abamba, Bunu East region. Atebubu, Bunu East region. Amanten, Bunu East region. Chese obi kwa from Kofi Asese Cheduma say afi Donkron Kwanta. Kwanza area on so free. O kon kwan na o fa Cheduma say ina sumi am kuma ina su kwan so a. Utwema ina su ko twem Cheduma say a. On say kwa PS ne Donkron Kwanta ewo yes Kwanza area on. Obi from Donkron Kwanta. Do man kese. Obi am gina Asante Mampo no obi afrem from what say kwabena Mateo perfume ne go no. OB Trading Enterprise. Me say our perfume and am di go me kwa Asante Mampo. I sabi Asante Achimago na yam na Asante Achimago man him na me chia okafra na yame nhyemoden wate sabi me say wahwere wa wo ba amamre mu na agogo man hene e fa no sabi abusua mu nso de amogya mu nso a wa onua yame nhyemoden na onhye atenkunya ni nyina aden na abusua nyina aden na oma bibia anya bokoma mo yam na afrakoma sewa kusi obod na yankwada ontini etiba bi pia yes di miame na Asante Achimago man him ekrom Asante Achimago me ko ho na afrakoma sewa kusi obod me ko me kom na krom me gina agogo a na obi afrem tie ni abusua obi afrem from Afijase Asante Afijase na obi afrem from Kumawu obi afrem from Asante Asokore Senieja Akutuase iba ko no frem ya o se kwabena Mateo perfume no wo Afijase obi am gina agogo no obi afrem from Kumawu se kwabena Mateo perfume no Kumawu ni gina na se OB Trading perfume no perfume no o di go ho a masa baby awo bi e te won kan go obi anka gina agogo de e na perfume do Afijase on se wa wonim se akwa no to be found ma o to be fa agogo no be pim hwidiem na wafa kutu ase kwan so akwa kopie se ne agya no na akwa kopie asokore ene afigya ase na obetie ase asantema mpɔnkwan na opia so ma so nkwanta okoma mpɔn na otwam kuna na akɔ so that say obekuma so a aboa so nton so aboa so na ona akɔ obakɔ aben so aboa so komikuma na apai na akɔ so obi frɛ me from so what me perfume na eguma ni nyina ne sɛ o perfume no kama o perfume no da kyese wo di go ho a masa ɛna no dwa de ya me nkan twanto menhia kotokofi isɛ mabo mu ase na asantema council hia na ma ko wontem ko na ko di baabi kakra udu ana baba ansam training kɛseɛ pa ba ko okumase wo so ko bina me ho akyɛ wo chia me nsɛm a ɛno sɛ o perfume de ko fa bra me perfume no no dwen sɛ na bag bɔ me no dwen sɛ perfume hyɛ me bag ɛyɛ nto na me twa no dance for abusia madaro no dwen sɛ bag na bɔ me perfume nto o yɛ sɛ obi bag me sɛ me nyi me perfume no ma no ɛna me o yɛ am sɛ oh perfume na wo fie na o de no problem me yanka ahode wa ma ko fa bro na so ye be ya adwuma no problem perfume no me am ma ko to bu obi trading dia bro eye obi trading perfume eye serious me se na no dwa de ya o to for us be dance dia buchi obas there be perfume no ye me hwamodo fa ma me o dwe se she bag nti wo bia bag ni moyi na so there be akoso ya nya abotre perfume no e wo fie na hwam na e hwam ye obi trading san no but there me am to bi dia che kwa free of charge umpu we dey na pay obi trading enterprise kuma say South Just Giants me say oboga for aboba Ghana ma mo ha mo say o ba obe pack ni ma gu bag mu na on say bro so an ya we na bro say $100 or say £100 or say €100 or say $100 there you there be forget about it o dey oba men fa tade fa bibia bra ba ntade ne perfume ne pa wa dey ma ne nya o dadwen o ba be du Ghana be du kuma say afreme adwo bi say o be twema kodo ma yin ko ya be du kuma say afreme me am do be ko obi trading obi trading say dey okrom kwan so do be ko na perfume papa bia ene ntade papa bia ne shoes ne mpabo bia ohia bia emema de ma de na wa gina akọ chama ebusuafo enti on say obi trading was South Just Junction doma ne sumia ne kwan so enti jema wa ne wato aso na pa on akọ ti obodu Ghana mama abena otim so ohwe mama obodu Ghana na pese okọ yamfo a odu kuma sana na ofre mama oba wadaroma eja oba osonfo me son wadaroma ofre me a mama meba na me no akọ obi trading e wo krom kwan so yamfo kwan so se wo gina sumia road Betim Road, Dion Quanta Road, Mankasu Road, and Road. Yes. We will all be trading. You be our man, then yet straight with them. Now on our way to Yanfo. Now, after one beam, Mama Sarah and Sophie Yanfo, Mama US. Mama, Yami had my do ya, we do that. I'll frame me, and I'm no call all be trading. Yeah, got your perfume, come on. And then Talina, they say, what am I bushing for? Was perfume no? I have butchers, just say. Mr. Kefla but you know that big shops for Ghana. And I bought that from say be obi be actor. Na ye Ghana for so. Yes, you feel a presence in Accra. If mama do ya, me mama Sarah you for ya for so be call. Na paye ya na pabam on your corner. Enti abusunya, o de ezi abodu Ghana na o perfume ne tag papa. Frɛ me. Ambassador me do be call. Baby ya pese o di yan say baby ya ko bi aba bi Kumasi. Sunya na akɔ aye de aba Kumasi. Domain ko be Kumasi. Bekum be Kumasi. Seshi o be Kumasi. Nkronkron be Kumasi. Mo de mo kwa de matwadi. Just call me ko slim krana. Just I'm call away. Just call me. Me amba bishia. Ye na yakɔ. Aye obi trading enterprise. Kumasi South Central Junction. Kumasi South Central Junction. Obi trading number no. Abusia. Obi trading number is 0530 994553 0530 994553. I want to be your perfumes, papa. Enter the papa and then papa. Now, the young lady aboa na ewie said ya esieti. Ompewe na edien and alpe. And koto perfume bi achina nko afi na abeda ne oha ne amane ama wo. And koto perfume bi awakwaje na achina nko sabi o ba na akwa bi oda bi. Obi twe the perfume dey me say amanfo ni pampem be budget so obia be twa okusi. Upia na ye boy ensa no si ya e de ma wakwa aba na ye boy ensa no e de je utata e obi trading enterprise Kumasi South Central Junction ho e na obi trading won ti abusu ayen kwe na yen koji na bibia enkoyi enfama yo number no 0530 994553 0530 994553 entuni bibi before see ebe kono na yen hwe obi trading bra ye kopie wono kakra bi yes.
Just na your tongue. Your perfume. Near my na je wo mo say first is na ebo shara no. ɛna wɔyɛ showcase so wɔ he
Show me no be.
ai yɛka test a na ɛkyerɛ sɛ nyɛ sɛ ade na aba bɛtɔ no wonim de wei a na ɛteɛ na aha
Packaging now.
ba a wohwɛ nti wɔyɛ amber glow bebree wɔ hɔ nti wohwɛ yɛma wo nwea na wohwia na sɛ w'ani gye ho a na wafa nti yɛ nneɛma no deɛ
Okay, tell us that is it about OB Trading Enterprise. Now him say, "Come ho and I say area obviously the way you kwan. You also OB Trading no ba. O person to be a ma test hwe. The boys ni bebre, Mr. D wo national service for boys. And the boys ni ma ba dia na on person mo bu o mo kakra o say ma dia na o me reserve kakra. O dwade wie no okọ adwuma na wa wura OB Trading. Aya o ba be top perfume. Oboa oh, but me person be to we ma me hwe we na ye. Na oboa say no should have perfume for bia o ka o de ma maintain ma obo no de kwaje fans wo adwuma am brand the way you kwan ya ma wonye sa nye last week copy brand bi sa de bia me ko bia na so obeto bi o hwehwe boku we fa yi na o de we na person to na wa should have bia ngu ne ho oboa wo de kwaje ne 3 points wo krom na adwuma enso na onyanto but eja obi trading do obi ent no oji amam for feso amam for ba test da busua yenko ade pa na ton hu be srew Kumase South Suntraso Junction Kumase ade sa funya sam kito o mo de wo yi kwan o dware wi a wo kwa adwuma no ya wo so wo so akwa adwuma so wo to perfume so akotoy oba no se oh me pese me to perfume me pe we oh mama ntase we pa no ba kagua na aye we na aye o ya so o de mama ntase ma na ma ba jiwe oboa o de kwa fans wo adwuma the boys no amante no steady am say there be you TV mo na boys no awon say o tie sikro mu ati say tu omfo mu ntie no wo mo ye dia ne kama man mo say o mo fa kuya bo mo bo a da bia ye dem mo de o ma ji kuya bo si ehun say na bia o de dofo bi o appointment na ko sia obi a so na o de dofo appointment ni ade ko sia obi a no wa sheda ko obi trade oh maybe my main test TV ni ade o boa o go sia na dofo bi enti no o de kwaje points. Offer, yes, Nana ya, we offer Nana ya comment. Nana ya way, okay. The reason we want my own, Nana. Ayo don't try, Nana, don't try. I was ya, Nana ya, ya that look at the born. On our comment on of a Benamako. Nana, then I interview called by Grace News, exclusive 1 hour interview with me. I was such a yes, or no, on my rundown in a Nana ya way. The reason we want my own, Nana. Ayo don't try, no don't try. We offer na ya because offer. Other we na pombo ko dey. Yes. Oh no, that was at the born anyway. Oh mono say na ya way. Hallelujah. Yes. Hosanna no money am pombo ya no. Obodi di room. Aman Simon twin me mo mehwe di awurade aye oto no say oh mono say na ya way. Hallelujah. Na sika sem zukra. Na ya way. Sika sem so ti chase oyeni package. Offer. Yes, nyame adum me wo ye pa se wo so wo ye wada ma meti won ka che for it been a while no crop for meti won ka che I just stand you free over no crop but boys ni bi asheda me say boy bi ma target ma ase de bia na ko bia no and the bia time o de kono wo sheda say because unko ade bi so to perfume 730 and o ban so anya say bia auto unis ka no say obia senior e bi ni ho na say na sese me boss what ya say mas me so who watch boss me chia onya me sure na no so abrante onya kid me so who watch am 2 times so from na sisia e dey ma abrante na bibia okay o tia say mas obeti wase but I say boys no the tactics be na say omo dey adwen kese bia ba e na me perfume say oboa obogo ni wa oboa e na omo start dance da omo ne okosi ababa wa bi no bia ababa bi wa bi won na keka bia na omo anya yi anyame adma oba say okay bia yen call out yen call date bia na yen call baby no obo se na obo bi agu no ho o wa da akọ obo bi agu no na wo ja kwaje 3 points na ye tiase ye tiase this am so go watch o hwe me am tiase me boss obi because boys omo ko perfume go omo nto na omo ja kwaje points wa na ye so ye hye dem na omo de omo no aka ya hye dem ye tiase za cameraman me cameraman am ne now cameraman also no say university student na university boys you omo tiase ma se say omo di kura bombo omo wi ha fa yan come on, no call obi trading about last no one from call obi trading. Okay, ya go tester. And I say, come on, co school University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development, University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development. Amsterdam. There were almost quite now. So you stay this year quite a year Amsterdam free. So Ghana. see change schools din dia nya asem beto a enti e kwan na so na kan ma afa achi akọ so oba beto perfume ade say obo be test obo pe bi agu no because say one na baba bi university campus for get see you appointments adam na say hey come on man but then my year this now the other year me dey come on man enti e say ya makwan boys no mo yes na o mo nye careful oba abia na beto ne ko but as the bia no aba na da bi ya makwan bi yes over and now say enya everybody thing ampa and that day your birth for be enya me din tijai so no so e bonidi wom na ya we enya everybody din kro tijai so yes and so that no bonidi wom nyum de ye ka se ye ka na onya sam so kro boy but I be see many to say my baby ya probably answer na mawu and so na mabu here nti yes so see you na ka ye tri mo so wana ya din wom yes nti no mo fa na ya de ye kana se ho a ye view over ti ye da city enya empanyufo bi sa ne wo mo anim ya papa ne sa no mehwe ya na ye nso ye nya awonka bi ade ye adwuma pa ani so bi so hwe behind the scenes ya no krepa me bra bi o free kwabre ono so onni mabusia no pa ben ma me o se abempo ma ben sister Odobroni assign ben ennim mo ben busia fo no pa yes e bi abi 1% de ba tu dwa nya san ka mo na din kra yes, or Ben sister Odobroni, pa Ben, Dr. Akosua so Ben pa. But I'm so yeah, but I show programs now there. To be able to touch man watch so there be when say na tie na nti on tie Accra. But I'm so shame is abi kra. Odin na bi am nti bi am person me bon na me person me bon. But me chia pam da so jebre na o hwe. Afei wan bi the safo kantan kan so wase ko comment section. Na me boa. E the voice no bro mo dey from okuma na nye o. Na mo hye da. Dey me ya ne say omo bo perfume go omo ofa na ya we omo perfume go omo no mo dey akọje points wa abontin na ye hye dem no mo ka say mo ye say this ye ntiase ye ma mo akọje points no na mo akọje points na mo maka ya hye dem come on my wo me no na now akọje points wo be trading akọ bagu perfume akọ bagu say say that no ya baba bagu appointment I was school mo na won cancer e na dey akọje points e na me so me sha we are now almost had degree as offer. No, almost degree as offer. So, the be along the Akaya them. No, would degree. No, you're that them. No, they're fans. They'll be young people will be on your fans, baby. The men tassia, there's a men tassia, there's a be men tassia. There be once on the Aquatic fans. No, the fans are no, the fans are they? Are they? Was a bassa? Are they? Was a bassa? And this year, the NTS. Yentiase kwa ade mo je fans we account mo je fans we account Ghana for almost sorry o Ghana for almost by Grace TV for almost sorry o na say brantie fancy so mo jigu yesu ani so mo jigu yesu ani so mo ji fancy gu yesu ani ayan se mo I over me obi trading me boss there just say perfume the o mama ni na why am good pa but the boy see almost that don't want the difference. Over perfume no test no test no ha me say. Omo ko di adna ko test ni na. Guess no the ko tata o. E have no over. We how you know. Perfume there. O test bi abobi agu ko am dey nkan ha me. But okoje test na no obogu ne ho a over. O pia no the ko tata guess. That guess here no boku me. So omo dey tata o mo ani. I don't know how you over. Me how you now. Me ntase. This crown what's it? Me sorry be awon me ko bi trade me kwot na. Ye hwem na wo ba was a boy na wo ba na wo ba no ma meto but appointment when the guest bi na ekwa akosia na wo ba be tester. Over this me mpene. Ese no omo di omo ni gui account musa. No o maka ya hye dem. No omo di omo ni go maka account musa. Say bianse bi gina wo kom Christmas na sa Aju TV. Me Aju TV ko me am ni Aju. Aju di da bia me kana sa busua. I am subscribe to Aju TV ma no ate. Because you see the paya the outside. See when you na ya ben sanity. Sabi by Grace TV start say you 9 months it's at say on the 27th of July and yeah first video. That number we are the first video. Na your first video yeah after shall say kakra na ye ba. The shall say na after ye ba kakra na nyame adom. Sabi nyame dia bedu bia bedru. Na onim we ask no, but time at all, anybody, I'm not Jude. Jude share occasions near there. Now you didn't come on. Now, Brown started by Grace TV. nipa baako a me de obi ye papa mama a me ye boni ai da bia da nipa baako a oyi ne yam e ka se be ma ade a wahya ase me meta wochi meboa na atumi akọ anim meboa na atumi atumpon eye Jude TV nim say yin nim Jude and unim Jude yes obey the obetumi bia de aboa me ema me kai say ye court e was kwa almost so Charlie kwabna oh bread too much like often was start on the YouTube so start here easy sir if they meet me aboa no say brother be kasa e wo me channels na manfo say oh kwabna kwa say si ano or say our channel your friend by Grace TV na manfo hu Jude my platform ema make kasa e won the channels ema that day nya no kwa otwa the girl the Grace TV kwabna and so we get Jude boy my here and no kwa blame me be say over 100 subscribers enya no kwa betime Jude ko acquire story ba ko ye call manso e fe ba bi manso abo tete caso e wa mpato me ria oni ekum assemblyman bi it's alleged say military fo bi ekum assemblyman bi wo galamsey site ni Jude ko ye story we on say YouTube adwuma very competitive to be anya news or person breaking news in time na me ni Jude I story na wie na what say on say akwa story we dey say nko bia betimi abo Jude dey be come na what friend now start your channel on say because me do na ebo story na obi anya wo channel nti wo de na enko ba bia omo hu nti wo bo de no ne obuze tin you on ti make Jude asema ya na be bi de wa ya mama no e bia na be yes ade Jude ya nti ko na wo bo story ne ne na me mbabo mo de 24 hours later wo bo de na wo de ne be deja obi de no so wi a na ma bo mo de because me kasi me do na ebo ne pa and I'm saying page ni wo ni wuchi na wo de nti no sabi ebia na amanfo anhye da enhu page no nti ko na no problem but what there no na twen 24 hours later na me mabọ me there no I mean Jude sacrifice the channel no de ma me nkan sa o sacrifice say there be ko na there beboa obia o channel no betimi apage amanfo be hu no yeah and enya ba ko nyemi no me say na kwaye story me kai was story mampon mo ma hwe ba Grace via channel me kai sa story no na tenant awa behind dine no sabi or the bo on molding CB abo ni fiura ama ni fiura na wu I was scoring man point ya and the question the same just come na o bo there no 2 days later and I say 24 hours later nyame adoma next day na ma bo me there no I have that or take you come na there be bo there no no and let me say this for a fact say empoku start no tam no bebre o ha na me ya Jude na ye tam na me because there be also one the professional editor and cause I was a editor I've always been, an on-air person. Because there be my tam no say man, no, I tam no they are sending me. And when I remember what story maybe I was when you Janet the say one year. No, I tam no the army say come na. Jennifer told the answer. Say be a story be poetry. Me the Asha na ye farmer. We na Jude here the mammy. Me kai say a brother that number we and also no more vigil night be. E wa Accra. Kumasi anso na Kumasi boss sada na pa. It no Jude na ye see a kokro from ya kutwa. The Akosua from Tupac on the ana our cheap and answer to Kumasi the ones who crew from for Germany. The Kuchab come for a year be celebrated that number. To me the cow and I'm a train Jude. To me start a life on then answer Kutua. After I shall say any more than Papa. Number one may train Jude. And Jude buy also by us immediate person also be chub your hole. About there because now bird to my one come and crown house at Casa. O giant the oba bay no. I don't perceive but mechanic na we need or make can or but mechanic na. O giant the also way now of forgetting the BBR and obey Jim make camera. So come alive now me. Best over 1 hour to 2 hours. So I don't do that actually. Young man case card if you buy you. So dropping an answer boat or the buy young man scout. Or no I buy but I say no. Or the initial be Johnny and no support me a crime did mamma me a chamedy and mamma. And then o come in 2 hours. Or I travel with you be we on some bare fee. It's a beer no come my cap premium no one answer you. But on say no time a chicken. So until that be I'm say I'm subscribing to GTV now because you did so they are brand and more they are one no. Sebi. Say na ni people be 2 na morning at here. But any penny na na be say ade na Jude aye no. Enti Jude there they say me to nyum ti that number anyum we da bia me to a na madam am for ase because me ntimi nyi ni bonya da Jude TV there be me bra penny Because Judy I'm bra pen at least or chem ka crowd to me for na there. Oh, and we ask now sometimes no ebi also dance call bonity obi ni no beka sa akọ bonity say there be but akoma dan even no we nipa Judy nipa papa. See abre bia ya mi sure branch and ma. And even be o bia mintimi nkan ni na. My first video I'm there reach YouTube monetization. You could try buy. I also many more times the cash na ya na me na normal. Because also there because cash no say story with the end here. Fako fa say mum e be farm out. Or can say on commercial. And that was my first video man. We reach YouTube monetization abroad for no. I Jim channel no 2 months on more day adverts goes man. Or chum the cash no you say fa say. Chum the fa say. Or say fa say over anyas to fa say na grass say na yes na fa say. But the caption e ko fa on. So video no na your Friday no mra. Dey be chama o my dad number 1 ke ba man ko bi on say account na me sheda plan anti na. But the video do tum no. With the tum be say number 7:30. Ebo be say how much 2 hours 3 na video na do 10k. Obi afi masa YouTube no. So video na ko be say 18k. Any call that number fee na what team no. Yeah, dey ma me bi o go di nkomo. Yeah na o chem say that number dey no born mo power ni papa oba okwa na $100 ni ade scam mo money omo muska say the omu na ya ade ba ko na ni we committee so we na timati for one team international ni ade so caption na the video so who say video ni bia caption e dude na chem say come na caption fa say so enti abrante na de bi na make am ase yeah ono onim say me de bi na make am ase and the dude da bia obi a no just after I'm friend just after you show what shadow me am show am and you nipa bibi ni obi wate nipa bibi ni ye waye ni because sa dia waye man ye nipa nyina na betimi aye da bi ye nipa yen kan recrencher on yen kan recrencher on ye nipa nye obi na betimi aye sa dia but abrantie we afogo bibia na bujan say actually how na say ade dia na ohun tia because he was just all out for me. The obey of forgetting the bibia. So with the mammy bow. Timmy Serwaa&Lumba, we be able to by Grace TV and all be my Jude TV because said be Yamen na Yamin the crane and okay, but Yamin me personal yard here and me the Mojidi passer a branch Jude no. Yamen a fan so say no, M1 cabinet on MPM. This is our first video on me here or Kumasi High Court. And my minya over getting to bear say 150 subscribers. Jude TV, yes. Ti amana na asema mo ati abusua mo kono wo ye live am hwe bi mam na mo comment na asema me sem de na sepa me sra do nya me sem sra eti mano yes I'm forever grateful to you abia mano ne pan ne mo a ya wote abo am yes so that is it but still boys no ye ntwe mo boys na mo di wa yi kwan na mo kwa na mo ye sa na ma na mo tebio mo di guess ya boss ko ma no me ntias you o de amoti ambo me se menti ase abuzu ya menti ase o de ma me hwe comment ni bi abai na ya ke bia menti ase boys na mo yes ano enye mo kwaji gu nwa na mo de kwaje jeje guess na ye shefi ade over I na get boys yo mo yes o mo ko mi ogun na mo de tata guess no mo tin so ye nti ase bi is ye nti ase afi wan bi in the comment aba and there's obviously do some mate example baby matter the maybe why afi benama come over say ha over some kito and afi more from the say come but maybe you were given a full over no clear and it will be see about the how many boys no dey go on one no dey tata guess no and I have no yeah that will feel no dey tata guess mentiase over mentiase there be mentiase afi one beam akua over benama kwa sesa o say ha and afi akua jackie akua bibia woko dey akua so ase wo comment section was and afi benama say then come and be the security man at the door and prevent the test incident over there dem say I was me dey come adwuma come no papa na boys ni ko adwuma no be yes ade obwa I say obi ho office bi ohun obi office on spot na opese o ma na what da o say bia o ye free account ni pa na be din ko be ni pa na wa shada ba ya obeto obwa test ya na akotwe abeli lady na all the coordinated points mentiase so mentiase over mentiase afi when be okay just God bless him no krepa yamishwa no and afi more fan I say thank you Jude TV for the opportunity granted come na kwe Jude there yamishwa no pa as African tank say boys are bread thanks to Jude no kwe as African tank be say amen Zafo tanka si nyame nhwira no krepa nyame nhwira Jude ye wa ende because me kan me nkan wi and nipa bebre na ata ye chabe si ne ebrepem that's nyame adona 1 year no do I appreciate you bia na nso be ye boden yi na me kan na am ga ko wi se mama dan na no me for na ya the Zafo de say one day be sister na santi no me ntimi kura nka na makan wi enya asem keto onti abusua Mama Vida, Mama Sarah, Mama Bina, just Obia, no for being from Pong, Quabre this year, no for coming to my free beer, Quabre this year. Just a make us a make me one year free. Ha! Until there was ya, a young family man and coin, a jackass at 10. Yes, you would think mobile 1 hour pence. You do 3 hours, 28 minutes. When you be an amount for Banner Money, make consequence of an hour, 7 what to do. No, you more fun, Chamian and Yamia, and some of you are not, was here, laboratory, now each ye. Said yeah, it's TNT. I appreciate you. I'm the WBRC. Someone jibre. Now my family at this year. Namin kai na ho. Now until an insurance here. When probably brave, yeah, the best me now. That is how say. Namin shran no kwenya. Judy namin shran pa. And example we want say. Then come you have a job to do pa. Yes, missing my year over because over and hard you. Now to one boys see. Omako bogu omo. Na omode kotata guess ya. No more bog one, no more the cotata against Gessia. Yes, I am a hammy. Oh, I am a hammy. Because yes, I was a moqueza. Young penny will be an answer. And young way, I didn't know was a bazaar offer. Boys, net 30 at the door. Boys, net 30 at the door. Boys, net 30 at the door. Are they? Ah. Boys, net 30 at the door. Oh, what's a mock of roll between and go talk around and can have you. 25 kwaje 3 points oh to no akwa test you be trading coffee me comment what's all akoshi ababa no dey akwaje 3 points na ye ti ase na ye da them sir me ye social media is me ada with them na boy see 3 points or bontin so but aggressive for mon sorry o aggressive for mon sorry o aggressive for mon sorry o na ye munti na boys see omo ji omo 3 points ya omo yi ya me mon sorry no more 3 points no too much. Says I am penny will be 3 points be there be. Says ya you bet 3 points now. Boys now for almost 1 month. So the baby saying. But I was let's not forget Sam D can say a brand here no or work kidney no or work kidney stage 5 no Mr. Mabusia. Nyamin kaya komana yamwa brand here no mama why mother ma Mr. Akabi abetimi piano. A bompa say tedian post so and say on one bremo. Na one kaya na yakoma. Na kakra bia ibetimi bia yamfa mo brand here. Na onsine that dem Mr. Nika yemfa mo abrantie no na onsema isa ne sisi ya ontimi nkɔ no watimi aba abrantie anka okra na ho den nya sabi nyame adom na ho den na enkwa wo ne mu kama say up to now nkwa da so wo ne mu yes but okra na ho den a kyese watimi ekoba dwumadie bia osi wodi bia watimi di ma bibia ya asomdwe ɛna akɔba ne si ama kyese sisi ya abusuafo nyina so bia ntimi nya hwe because say was a man many abusuafo kaya aka and it's not you near home. No more sharing kakra. I must say, Abba, why a dame pa the amamini? Say, Miss Rabusia. I said, there will be a mecana. Say, Yame, a yatom. Na okawa koma. Yame yatom. Na odom boa, Miss. Well, beating ya. A crabby abiting ya. I am from more brandy water. Na ira, so strange. Obeduma boy. Ira so strange. Obedum no shy. Na pipia. And so I assume Ira, so hene, Obertuma boy, the BBI, Timmy Stromabusia, or my infant also, sir. Now, maybe it would deep, say, Yanko Training Pon, your boss on your sassy, obey, okay, Yamebe, Timinia, Alex, there be our piano, but you foresee a channel movie as not be bully now. When a rather is to the museum, Yamena Beshan and Honey. Yamena was saying you my person, Mabeboa, na why ye. A bra Peter Mudi say bra Peter and yes, you have for you could answer them one. No boni bit one. Oh, say Peter, mommy 100 Ghana. Sabra means 100 Ghana or yeah. Let's get over. Say Peter, mommy, Ebia and the Peter, mommy 50 Ghana. Peter, mommy 100 Ghana. I'm a family moving tough advice and mermaid. Peter, mommy 100 Ghana. Peter said, Davis, can you tell you? Name of the one of them out. Yes, Christian as really dim. Sorry, Nancy. Say Peter kind of did a but did they say your minty? Sabi, you know, a billion a haunting. Na what's sorry exam and also be repabeba yamebe yamena besa branti ya de na bibia ya kama busi antimi dom biara se Every time you ever say share because one share by Grace TV sounds here on the public brain. At the moment, did the company was Yamin Crown, Macron. Bye bye.